Greetings, 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 one and all. We're up in our sitting again. Welcome to the Mixup An Blenda show with yours truly, the king of Mixup, me, Ragashanti, Miss Cherry Washbelly, large put herself, and big up the Mixup An Blenda team and thing. DJ Chris Cross, large up yourself, Michelle, aka Patty Belly, Gotti Belly, as all kind of names have large up yourself. And of course, the producer supreme, the lady of the moment, the one with the curls always holding, Ruth the Cutie, our producer. And of course, I am located up in the United States right now. I'm up in the US right now in Obama land. I keep back some nice little vibes right there and sitting in my little studio and thing. But you don't know, we use technology, so we make the thing juggle. See me. Big up, well, I'm going to get to fabulous people, and I'm going to get to people, and I'm left for note, you know. And that's where I come from. I get where I come from. I get where I come from, and I will never, ever, 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 ever turn my back for where I come from. I'm proud of where I come from. Enough things that I get to where I'm not too like, but not like, but it coming like anywhere else. So everywhere you go, you have good and bad, and get to have good and bad too. But you have some people that leave ghetto, and they go on like them want to get the good way in a ghetto. Big up all of my ghetto people. Big up all the ghetto people get up and clean in the house. I know if we clean the house. Big up all the people that start to come, when they dust out the cobweb them from up in the corner. Big up all who know say you must clean from top down. You understand? I don't know you that you got to clean the floor before you clean the dress right now. Works up. When they clean out the corner, then first get the cobweb first. Just have the wall more time. I'm going to take down out some curtain and wash them and sit. You understand? I want to not do that now. Either one or somebody else in the family, I just have the dresser, them take time, move the crockery, them. In Jamaica, where they don't have to say crockery. They take time, move the crockery, them. And big up all the people, them, we just love them figurine. Because someone on OD on it, though. Someone go too hard with the figurine, team, and not lie. Someone have too many figurine in on the place, but to each his own, to each her own. If I own a figurine, large up, a big up bounty killer who used to sell figurine. Okay, bounty, large up yourself. Because you used to walk and sell figurine. Now you're a big international star. You understand? And people now ascribe figurine to you again. They may ascribe a hammer, but them now ascribe figurine to you again. The large up yourself, bounty killer. Everything is everything, run the price. But then it does have a dress on, it does have the whatnot, does have the cabinet. That's who have them things in the car. When no stay for enough for owner, they'll probably like a look at one bed or things. So when I have to load it up, because we understand nothing wrong with that. We got the kaya mattress, so we used to sleep on them a little bit. Now for a young one, I remember kaya mattress. You know, and I couldn't Gilbert baby, when I don't know kaya mattress. A kaya mattress me grew up on, I sleep on. And to, you know, when I know who know kaya, when I know say after a while the kaya then push through the mattress cover and then juke out your cloth at night time. So you have to sleep with skill. You have to know what the juking part them there, you know. You understand? And more time when you can't take a juke no more, what you do is you get a nice little thick towel and you rest it right on the pot. And you rest it right on the pot with juke and thick. Anyway, so, you know, big up people who clean them place, big up the ghetto people who come out and not sweep the road. And then I have to sweep the road, you know, but when they come out and sweep the road. Pick up all who sprinkle the yard to make the dust stay down before the sweep. And think, give up all who have veranda clean. Some people clean them house and not clean them veranda. You understand? Large to put itself, and we say cleanliness is a part of godliness and support. And we don't know if people like Biggie keep place clean. Karen Wildman and them people. We don't know if them know if keep place clean. We don't know if Michelle like to clean. We don't know. Ruth is a clean freak. I can't tell you that. Ruth always a clean. But to the point where it get annoying. And so when I really know for them, how for them things. But what they have seen.
Ragga, I know for clean.
What? What you say, what?
I know for clean. I never born from the outskirts of Barbican. My mother grew me good.
No, all right. Well, you know for clean bathroom good?
Yeah. That's my job.
You can't. That's your job in the house. Well, your job in your house is to clean the bathroom.
I water the floors.
But you know, say, your family have to be careful because if your job is to clean the bathroom, you know, say, beer sleep, them are going to sleep because the bathroom.
Don't worry yourself. It's not full of the soap scum.
But, Raga.
Touch it.
Raga.
Eh?
Considering the regular diarrhea problems, they probably would give her that job. I'm just saying here.
No, that Chris Cross,
No, that's true. I just see why I'm not answer Chris Cross.
Yo,
No,
let me take up album the tambourine for that one, man. Let me take up album the better tambourine for that one, the large of yourself. And thing. Yo, Chris Cross, Michelle.
Yeah.
Want to read the Star yesterday?
No, I
Which
think
part?
it's the headlines. The woman remember.
What the mama? I want to read the Star. Michelle, we can't believe. Mister, I read this, of course, but they are foreign, but so, we have to read it online. But I read it yesterday, and I tell you, I nearly keen over. I laugh. Hey, I'm telling you all the while, if people there Jamaica on board, I them on board, because Jamaica no short of excitement, Jamaica no short of mix-up. Listen to the people. Mm-hmm. I'm putting the phone to probably read it already, but big up for all I find. Cops flee as dead man rises.
Yeah, this is the headline.
Hey, Michelle, let me know when I read this. All right, let me read this story. Big up Sheldon Williams, because of him writing. Hear this now. An 80-year-old man who was thought to be dead startled the police officers and funeral parlor workers when he awoke from his slumber while they were transporting his body to the hospital to be pronounced dead by a doctor. The Star understands that the incident took place on the Pike Main Road in Manchester about 2 p.m. on Thursday. Information reaching the Star is that citizens found the elderly man who lives by himself, motionless and appearing lifeless. The police were then alerted and went to the scene and examined the body before summoning a funeral home to pick up the corpse. Police and the parlor workers then set out to transport the body to the Percy Junior Hospital in the parish. However, while on their journey, the police and the parlor workers who were traveling in the same vehicle with the body heard sounds coming from the rear of the vehicle where the dead man was. Mm-hmm. They then had the shock of their lives when they looked around and saw the man who was wrapped in white sheets sitting up while he coughed. The police officers and the parlor workers then reportedly speedily abandoned their vehicle and ran towards a nearby shop where they revealed what had happened to those present. The Star understands that after they had calmed down, they returned to the vehicle in the company of other citizens as they still appeared traumatized. Reports are that upon their return, the man remained in a sitting position and spoke to them, giving his name as Percival Robinson, age 80, from Reggae district in the parish. The police later took the man to the Percy Junior Hospital, where he was admitted for observation. The Christiana police have confirmed the incident. Michelle, Chris Cross.
No, me not wrong them.
Thank you.
Me not wrong them. Me not play no hero. Me just want to see all the sheet a vibrate too hard. And me that me take the road where the mace bill and I'm gone. You can't hold me. You mad?
You can't imagine them bad boy police with them big gun just a coat. No, me just see them around with them good and people and look and say, but wait, the police that are run with.
Poor person
and then people
tired.
Yo, you can't imagine. You see all me, You see all me go back.
Yeah.
And them a tell me, say, oh, him never dead, man. And him a talk to me and I said, no, I am Percival Robinson. I'm 80 years old. All them time I still not take no check.
Nah, me a stay back.
Still not take no check. You understand? But me just imagine like the police ever drive. I hear one sound I must say, hold on. I want to.
We've got company.
What you hear? Me hear something, man. Oh, you feel something. Just the body. Wait. No, man. Me. Wait. Oh. Run!
You know, sometimes when they in them situation, they have to bust a car till they want to move and can't move. I swear. Me know I couldn't run. No,
Bust a cartel.
No, man, you don't know the song when
I'm not going to know that one.
You're not going to know it. Where am I say? More move and
young
can't
people
move.
something, Michelle.
Chris Grass. Hey, Chris, it was from yesterday, be hype from yesterday. Just throw me up here, so in the United States and you down there in Jamaica. Be hype. I bet you say when we come back next week, you know, have them only for big chat.
Yeah, me say,
I bet you I'm a fan. Hey, you know, stop down my from yesterday. I know this, you know.
Besides, I take that week,
So you say, next week you have a vacation.
Yeah, I take that week, yeah.
Yeah, but we good though.
Yeah,
you know, for the most part.
Raga.
Whoa.
Oh, you sound like your ear, son.
Like me in the studio,
No.
Yeah,
Till I root all I press the button and I talk to you.
Yeah. A serious thing.
Root I press the button while I go.
Yeah, man.
That's the hour. Yo.
Raga, you describe them kind of clarity as cripsy.
As Chris.
Yeah, sound no, not scripts. Cripsy.
Cripsy.
Yeah.
Jamaica. Boy, you sound Crips in them and all like. The Crips. Yo, you remember when we touched the thing about words with Jamaicans them always mispronounce?
Yeah.
All right. Some of the, you know, 99% of Jamaicans don't say film.
Flim.
Them say flim. And flim them say.
Flim done in a camera.
Yeah. 80%
Yeah.
of Jamaicans don't say scream.
Scream.
Them say scream.
We ain't not hear that one I'm going to catch you with. Them not say shrimp, you know. Swim.
Yeah. Shrimps, man. I want to tell you, shrimps. Swims, man. Swims.
Yes, Ranga, and you know the other one.
Which one?
Not certificate.
Nah, man. A surfing ticket, man.
No.
Surfing ticket. Everything is everything. Right and now, it's a good time for...
Something.
Oh my God! Can you believe that?
All right, Ruth, just go and line up Mr. Diaghilev. Really just mix up the world. We'll see about doing Can You Believe It? Okay, can you believe it? True stories from around the world that make you say, Papa Jesus, that anything really can go so. You understand? We go all over the world and we get the good, proper mix up them that are actually true stories. Here I want to know, we're in Indianapolis. This is in the United States. In Indianapolis, which is in Indiana, the state of Indiana. Man stabbed for not letting girlfriend look at his Facebook page. Man stabbed for not letting girlfriend look at his Facebook page. You see how them drama, I tell you, say, you see the Facebook, make her read the mix-up, make her deep up in a mix-up. Police said a woman stabbed her boyfriend with a kitchen knife on the east side last night after he refused to let her view his Facebook page. The 22-year-old man was not seriously hurt, but suffered a wound to his left bicep. His 21-year-old girlfriend, Shamika McVeigh, said she swung the knife in self-defense after the man hit her. McVeigh wanted to see Maurice Davenport's Facebook page, and the living couple struggled over the laptop. Davenport succeeded in shutting down the computer. Then, he said, he went to lie on the couch. Davenport claimed McVeigh grabbed the knife and accidentally slashed him with it during another argument. McVeigh said her boyfriend came into the kitchen and the two argued about his webpage. Then he hit her on the head. She said she grabbed the knife off the counter and swung it at Davenport, slicing him on the shoulder. No charges have been filed. We want to say enough respect to Jason, a.k.a. the Mia Pence Dollar, in Orlando, Florida, for sending us that. Again, big up Jason, the Mia Pence Dollar, up there in Orlando, Florida, for sending us this. I mean, I want to see all this Facebook thing, all kind of drama we are here all the time. You see it? Well, it raises a question, you know. When two people there, should each person have a right to go up on the other person's Facebook page? I think if a relationship is on a level, going off all a discuss and a war about them things. I think the relationship already in some trouble. Right? What you think, Emily?
As it relates to Facebook, yeah, and somebody can there and still view them profile. Nothing wrong with that. It's a social network, yeah? But
No. What up? Yeah, go on.
No, what you say?
No, what is happening here? What we can perhaps deduce is happening here is the whole issue of if you're in a relationship, should your Facebook page and account still be private?
Yeah.
Private in the sense that the person who you're there with not to see it.
Of course. Now your own.
You know, but the point is some people I say, boy, no. If them there with the person, them supposed to can't go up on the page because you know the first thing them are going to say is, so what you have who you there to talk to? You know, what the issue? Why me can't see? You understand?
Yeah.
I don't know, you know. That's why I'm telling them I like people who search phone and all them stuff. Because I don't do it, you know. Search, draw, and this. You know. I don't know. That's why I said, hey, go on talk, eh?
No, go on talk, man.
You know, say, me tell my friend them a thing and they must say, I eat that thing that them not do. I say, any woman me there with as long as she am my straight up woman, I want her to have her own a bank account. Where she had to PRC with my mind name, you understand?
Yeah.
And if when money all run, I say, yo, put this in your account. You understand? And I must say, no, you encourage slackness with them thing there, you have full this and that. And I said, no, yo. Because my reason, you know, God forbid, but anything can happen to me, you know. You understand what I say? And if you really care about that person there, you would make an effort to help them to make sure say any little thing go down.
Yeah.
At least you know if you fight with my relative to say whether or not she forget this or that. You know? It's in a fear name, in a fear name alone. And if you really love her, you do that for her. And she must do that the same for you too. You understand what I say? So in that sense, nothing wrong if you're in a relationship and some people own certain things and say I feel them things that you don't necessarily have to go in there. You understand?
For real.
I feel say if you have a need for search a phone, it's not the phone is the problem. A different problem exists in a relationship. When the need for solve, we're searching the phone now go solve it. That makes sense?
Kind of. I get what you say.
Well, you know, some of my friends disagree with that. One of them.
I mean, I'm not see the sense in searching phone either because you are search for buck up on something, right? Then whatever you want buck up on, if you search it, you go buck up on, you know.
All of that too. Because you go just say a simple name and you go say, I owe this.
Exactly. And where you want buck up on. So you search your phone for buck up on something and bam, your wish is granted, you buck up on something. Then what you argue for? You understand what I'm saying?
You go say, then an older man, you call him someone so many times.
Yeah.
Then she ever get defensive and say, let me really have to explain that to you. But of course, you call a man that so much time. I'm a co-worker. I'm a supervisor. I have to call him enough time for what. Also, why you call it? You know what I say?
Yeah.
And then it just, so it's just better you don't search at all. I just feel, say, if something that ever find out, it will come to you at some point, you don't have to go look. But I say, if you must be complacent and passive, you know.
Yeah.
And don't be proactive for like to make sure so somebody not bring arms out for you. But me don't like searchers. I don't like search.
And then here's the thing with the search. You see, once you start, you have to go continue because you have to think that something else is going to pop up. So you just need to keep, you know, on top of the situation and all of that. So it's like you can't help yourself.
Anyway, that's what I wanted to say. But there you have it, people. For can you believe it? A man and a woman them there in Indianapolis in Indiana in the United States. And drama start between them because the woman says she wants to see her man Facebook page and the man say no. You're nasty that and them end up a fight over the laptop because she wants to see it and drama go down and she back a knife and put a stop on him and say.
It's your life funny.
Crazy.
She never get charged.
No, I think it will depend on him, you know, whether or not they charge. But no charge is not filed yet, you know. But because it him stab her.
No, that I just going to say to you.
I hear man wicked and this and that and whatever this and that and you see when she stab, yo, you're a big man, you can't just forget.
Stab,
Yeah, man, well I stab, man, because you don't know, she just get miserable. You know, woman stay, I saw woman tan, man, don't nobody pay no man. I saw woman stay, man, or whatever. Because the man stab, wicked, him could have killed her, castrated, cut off him.
Yeah.
And I
All
beat.
evil them.
There you have it, people. That was.
Believe it? Oh my God, do you believe that?
Let me tell you something.
Oh my God, do you believe that?
Now, time for we go to some email. And do remember that the topic for the week continues to be in-law mix-up. Mix-up involving your brother-in-law, your sister-in-law, your poopa-in-law, your mama-in-law, and your friend-in-law. In-law mix-up we are talking about right now and sitting now. Any other sample mix-up, any other mix-up in your family, in your workplace, any place or whatever, you just call in and rinse up the things. Even if it's a dopey mix-up, if you have spotted the Spanish Town dopey someplace else other than Spanish Town, call in and make we know. If you see the Spanish Town dopey in a parliament, a cavort with either the Prime Minister or Portia Simpson Miller or anybody else, call we and make we know. Anyway, they have the mix-up then. You try call we and make we know where I go and make a read to email right now. We're going to big up to my co-worker who go give him wife bun. And when him go back home, him think him a call a sweetheart and go call the wife by accident and a thank her for an afternoon well spent and tell her how she tired him out. The wife just bust open the room door and tell him nothing about some dirty bad word. This happened now what? You hear that one, the Emily?
Yeah, that one the ad.
Yo, some of them are mispon the calling. Hey, me I tell you, see this phone thing and hey, you know how much time me hear people phone dial me, people who don't have like flip phone or whatever. Cause you know most of them BlackBerry are just flat whatever this or that. And the iPhone, but all them touch screen one day. You know how much time people phone dial me and them don't know so them phone dial me and me I hear all of them business with them at about. And you can't even try to call them back because you know, you can't just hang up and then try to call back and thing, which is what I do. But when I lie, sometimes I just take a proper listening.
And I'm just gonna ask, you know, oh, you're based like a prime.
Yeah,
Because I know I use the fast.
No, because sometimes you just listen and then when you can't tell them about the things, them know that the thing's serious because you really did not hear the things, them, you know?
Yeah.
You understand? I crazy something with the phone thing. Next email. Rather, when I live at Jamaica, my friend get a girl at England and me link and I chat to it, mad. But girl only send a picture of her face and send ticket. And me link go to England. Only for find out is a crippled woman, Raga. Me link want come home same time. And say the girl love Sato too much. The man cut him trip to 4 days. Well, we don't really use the term cripple to refer to the disabled. So it's a disabled lady. I mean, hey, Emily, this sound cool, you know, but with all due respect, she should have tell the man she should
That's
deceive.
Exactly.
No, she should have tell the man she should deceive.
And enough of them do, you know, send picture of face alone and not show the rest of for deceive you. Yeah, man, I evil them.
And send picture of them friend and all them something.
Go to him and beg for see if him have friend, if him have family in England, them want to leave and can't leave.
Yo,
I should have win.
some people don't know the road code. You know? You see, never you go to a country for the first time to meet somebody who you just did attack with phone or whatever. If you don't have a backup plan in that country.
Exactly. And go see
you think me could all go online and meet a hot girl from Croatia. And she said me must just come out there and it just me alone I go Croatia. I mean I know nowhere over Croatia.
You know how would I meet him? But not no man or nothing, but it would more likely for happen to a man than to a woman. Like say him got the country and to a woman and you know she sent ticket and whatever, him no walk with no money. Say him I go there for go near my road, no pun intended.
No pun intended.
And go see all him go see I know crippled thing I want him wish him to have a few dollars in him pocket. As opposed to females always have a backup plan. Always a walk with the money,
Yeah, man for work could get back money to see it. I could all go over there for near my road and then really, you know. She said, yeah, you come for near me out down. Well, you're going to do it. Hold the wheelchair, wheel him right there so and just stable yourself. Right? Well, I'm going to put the wheelchair on brakes, right? You just hold the wheel right there so I'm good, man, and get busy. You don't worry, the foot can't move, but something else will move. Watch it. Jump, 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 jump. If foot cripple, but this are not cripple. Okay. All right. Poor Jesus, what a drama. One more email. Raga, big up to the girl from St. Mary. Dash out her thing wicked. She dash it out one day to one of her friend, man. And the man said him no want that back. Because our, oh Lord, our Juju big like belch. Yeah. Emily, you ever hear that one there? No, man, never hear nothing big like belch yet. And you know, so that must be an hell of a belch. That's not a burp, you know. That's not a burp. That's not like... Oh, my God. That one that a burp. Yo, pick up the hot girl, them. Pick up the hot girl, them, where the hook cause I only say... and thing. But we know say it's sticky by some other people cause I only say... Big like bells, we never hear that one day yet. We're going to break soon forward. All right.
Raga.
So we just,
I'm not lying about that Juju Belch thing. They have to everybody in the studio.
No, we never hear that, yes. It's a my girl. You know, I'm not feeling it because you're Jojo big like belch.
I'm not lying. One day go hard. It's a go hard. Because you know you have some belch when a normal.
No, you ever hear some big ass steering belch. Some big old belch. You just like you just take up the whole like. You ever when people are belch in a passage and you hear some big up. So you don't know, say, you know, somebody steer them way there. You know, say, it's sticky upon them. All right, and do remember, say, on for code up the thing, then we love creativity, we love code, you know, about that coming a rah something. Because we run a classy program here. We run a sophisticated and decent program here, right? And we respect the rules and regulation of the Broadcasting Commission. And we certainly do not want to offend the chairman of the board of the Broadcasting Commission, who is Professor Hopeton Dunn. And neither do we want to offend the executive director of the Broadcasting Commission, who is none other than the incomparable Cordell Green. And the crowd rears a Cordell and things, and Raga remains still. But anyway, so big and serious. We don't want, we have to follow the rules of the Broadcasting Commission and thing. So make sure say, we not cause no bad weather and all them something there. And it's a true like coming up in the United States, right, you know. We can't do that for see certain things. So Mixup team, just remain vigilant and alert. You see? All right. So we're going to move to the phone line right here now and things. See? Here we go. Good afternoon. Hello.
Happy New Year, Raga.
And the same to you, baby.
And to all of your team, Happy New Year.
All right.
Anyway, Raga, before I get into the mix-up, I want to tell Miss Kangaroo downtown, say, when I look at her, man, because I now left a soldier for a scout. And he would have to carry 3 recommendations plus resume. And I wouldn't accept none from she. Because she have bleach and in our reach, I was them black like target in them.
Okay. So what shall I say you want to take her, man?
It looks like you got there and die. Tell him man, you man next video. And
she has sell something to the public and when you got a she vex with you because wait, you did a prim. Hold on. You did a prim. You did a prims up near the woman, man.
But Raga, I thought me wouldn't want that. I will come back on that.
Oh. Well, you must stay too right.
I say I will come back on that, Raga. You know, so that no impact. Don't want to do that.
Okay, that's how it works. But anyway, rinse the mix up, one
Raga,
pop.
yeah, I know.
Yeah.
And Rasta, man. Who always about out your show.
Yeah.
No watch nothing to get him to start listening to your show. But
Right.
certain things, him say fire burn.
Yeah.
We can't come on the show. Christmas
Mix
night.
up and blender. Mix up and blender.
Yeah.
Oh, cool. Yeah.
Anyway, here we go now. It's better than animal, listen everything. You see, Raga, when I tried to entertain and I cut through my head to that career there,
Yeah.
I mean, all of the artists then.
Yeah.
You see, when the Jolly Game start, Raga?
Oh, Jolly with the lolly.
Yes, he said fire, burn. 2 minutes to come up. He said, no, but I go tell him, you know. You see, when them, well, the king, you know?
Yeah.
You understand that part there?
Yeah, man. The dildo.
Yes.
Yeah.
All right, if you want a steering or Raga.
Yeah.
You see, because I steer him and the two girls beside him, I talk and I laugh. Then you hear the man say to me, say, Mom, touch the iron here. Him couldn't say fire burn again. Raga, me say, trust me, the man was standing so tall. I couldn't believe it.
Are you telling me that the Rasta man stand at attention when him a watch the game when him jolly with the lolly?
That I tell you.
How are you nasty?
He
How are you
couldn't say
nasty?
fire burn again.
Well, it look like the Rasta they like the things they want to see, man.
Yes, man.
And you know, so that game that them they go hard in that game there, you know.
Yeah, tell you, it is wicked.
No, man, them go hard in that game, them and I lie.
Tell him, man, that game that leak out, it shut out. As you say, he did a cost pure bad road, rather.
That game that did that cost be a bad one.
Yeah, tell you, man. I'm going to tell you, Bluetooth teller.
Oh, okay. The blue and white so.
Bad road, rather.
I want that cost up a whole heap. It turn up.
It turn up, man. I want to bad road go on there, so rather. Me only start to me never get to come up there. But me I tell you, say, man, when he start the rasta to me, say, no, but I go there, so you can't up there, so condemn. Fire, burn.
And then after Jolly with the lolly, him have a piece of strength, then a tap you so down.
Yeah, tell you, my boy, so me would have like, you know, enough man that happened to the reggae, but them not call and tell you.
No, a real thing, man, but, you know, me no, it's neither here nor there for me. Me no care what them think. Me just a do my thing. You understand?
For real, we don't know.
What a blessing, yeah? Yeah.
You say you're in America. America, you there?
Yeah.
Bring back Dan to me here.
Bring back who?
Dan.
Who?
Raga, we say bring back Dan to me from America.
Dan?
Yes, Dan, yes.
How old that?
Raga, also when people are bring things to fire, they say I bring Dan to me.
Oh, okay. Oh, I never know that.
Yes, man. So now tell you bring back Dan to me, no watch nothing.
All right, that's the word here.
Take it easy, Raga.
All right, blessings, baby. Blessings.
Cool.
All right. Okay, we want some sample mix-up, you know. Sinana mix-up. Good afternoon. Hello.
Hello, Raga.
Greetings.
How are you?
But today I give thanks and Happy New Year and blessings.
That mix-up, that whole mix-up, what you want here in Raga.
Yeah, man, rinse it.
The father of a daughter, twin and third daughter. So that means that the father and grandson to the child. And that means the sister.
Hold on. Stop this. Hold on. Why you listen? So the father of a daughter and the daughter of a daughter, which is female granddaughter.
Son.
Wait, say it again. Say it again.
The father of a daughter.
Right.
The father pregnant the daughter.
Right.
So that means that son now comes the father and grandfather.
Right.
And the mother of that son now say sister and mother.
Right. Right.
You understand that?
Right.
So
Yeah, man.
That is right. That can't be right.
No, it's not right. It's
Man, can't be right, man.
No father not supposed to even sleep with him daughter, much less to go breed him daughter. No.
Yeah.
All right, now, first of all, we need to cover some critical points here. Just the tone. We just work with the tone. So which tone is happening?
Spanish town
Spanish Town. Okay,
Yeah.
all right. Then. Cool. And the people in the town.
Spanish Town, me tell you.
Yeah. So the people in the community know about it.
Of course, up to him man, up to his wife is there know about it because everybody live in the same home.
So then when the wife find out that the father breed him daughter now, what the wife
say,
do?
boy, I must make a mistake.
Well on. The father breed him daughter and the wife say I must have mistake.
Yeah.
Oh, I don't know. As far as she concerned, probably him just did a walk in at the house one night and him a go to him wife and him buck him too and just go drop on the daughter. Yeah.
But that's just supposed to happen, Raga.
No, but me I say, him a dirty man.
Yeah, of course.
But very often. Well, him a dirty man, but the woman a dirty woman too.
Yes,
Mistake what? Well, we don't know about that. No. I want you should know that the Broadcasting Commission doesn't allow us to engage in rhetoric that could be accurately interpreted that we're inciting violence. All right. So, no, just so you know, we can't say things that they can claim is inciting violence or inciting riot.
Okay.
Even though we may think it, we're not allowed to say it.
Okay,
so anyway, so the mother and the father, then we can't say them are dirty people.
Yeah.
How old was the daughter? How old was the daughter?
Yeah.
About how old was the daughter?
It's not about 19, 20. Not that
Then the daughter no shame to an animal something.
They not much like in the year and much shame they can't look for her.
What the picnic was the picnic mentally disabled or the picnic did her?
No man, it's in fact the boy fat. The boy well fit up and down. The boy well fit.
Yo, that's funny. We ask him the picnic mentally disabled and you say, no man,
the
boy fat.
They'll go to good school to you know.
What do you mean good school?
You go to good Jonathan Grant.
Jonathan Grant High School, eh?
Yeah.
So what eventually happened with the family, you know? Everybody just go on and live the same way?
But me, you say it's not the first one either. It's coming like a family tradition.
What you mean, not the first one for him or another man in our family I do it to another girl? What you mean?
The first one for him, because his bigger daughter is same thing. They come like a family tradition, don't mean like.
No, all right. This is not surprising. And what people need to know is that usually when you have these type of sexual predators across them taboo lines and do them things there, very often it's a repeat offender. It's what is referred to as a repeat offender. Very often when you have a man a sex off him daughter or an uncle a sex off a niece, very often more than one time them a do it. More than one time them.
So, I say no, that is what rangoat or donkey or some or cow.
No, the bossy name feet is incest.
Yeah.
But in Jamaica, we just call them family ram.
Okay.
Family ram. But no, that not for go on. That definitely not for go on. Dirty man them there and the mama dirty too. But the man make a mistake. Like say P.R. sitting in favor of her daughter sitting. So, really speaking. Anyway. Straight. Anyway, blessings here.
Blessing.
All right. To the phone lines we go again. Good afternoon. Hello.
Hello, good afternoon.
Yeah, what's up?
First time call, a long time listener.
All right. Talk up to me right, Jano.
Yeah, I'm talking to this guy, right?
Yeah.
And me and him has an argument. So sometimes in December.
Right.
And he has bought me a DVD. And he lost me and he go along the most, so I bring it back to him. So,
hold on. Was it a DVD or a DVD player?
It's a DVD.
A DVD, okay.
It's a DVD player, sorry.
Hold on, a DVD player?
Yeah.
So when you meet him?
When I meet him?
When did you meet him, yeah?
Oh, me and him, we have been talking from about 3 years.
Okay, all right, then cool. I want to argue at this time, them cost you and whatever and this and that and take back him DVD player. What him give?
Yeah.
All right, then go
I brought it back to him because I can't take like the disgrace and stuff like that.
Right.
So I give it back to him. So he called my phone, threatening me, telling me that I got this and that. So I brought the police. I bring the police them on him. So when I called the police them, it's like him and his sister was there.
Right.
So when the police were talking to me and said to me that what he's supposed to do with the DVD, I said I don't want it. So the police said if you put, so the guy started insisted. The police said if you put the DVD in the bus, because it was a bus.
Right.
I'm gonna fling it out.
Right,
and
right. Talking on your phone, yeah.
Yeah. So the police said, he said to me that, Officer, I want to take the DVD because I see me buy the DVD from whatever. So the police said, if you buy the DVD, why you take it back? Because we have argument and such like that. All right. So the police, so in his system, I'm going to put it in the bus. So the police said, no, I don't want it in here. If you put it in here, I'm going to throw it out. And him start going with the antics when me didn't know my sister come towards me, like, she want to choke me. So the police said, what is this? Is a gang war or what? And from then, I have him and said, calling me. He called my phone today, telling me that if me no go back, me no come back and place and whatever, when am I going to phone him now do?
Okay, so what the mix up there?
No, what I'm saying. Hello?
Yeah.
It's like, it's a long story. I don't know. But the fact is this, I just want him to avoid me. That is the problem. Because right now, I'm listening right now.
Am I listening right now?
Yeah, I'm listening right now.
Okay. So him still have the DVD player right now?
Yeah, him still have it. Because I don't want it back.
Okay. And why am I call you and say, in the back with him, I go down here and do all kind of something on him, so.
Exactly.
So what you do? You're done with him. You're not shout out to him again. You're not nothing with him anymore.
He's the police. Even the police said to him, like the police and say, if it was me, like she, not even hi hello again, because no righted man number a woman a DVD and take it back.
No, man, you have a whole heap of man do them sitting there, man. You have a whole heap. No, man, they know you, but Mr. take it back and Miss take it back. You have a whole heap of people.
I don't talk about that, Raga.
My girl, you have people who take back all party. What you talk about? People take back all party.
Yeah, and he did all bought me a mattress too, also. I'm the animal arguing at night.
Hold on. So, you're not a problem of giving back the DVD player, but you're not giving back the mattress?
Rather, me now go up on the floor.
No, what I am asking you is this. If this man give you a DVD player and give you a mattress, and based on how I behave, you say, no, keep your DVD player, I don't want nothing with you again. Some people are listening and say, no, but it's either you keep both things or give up both things. Why you going to give back one and keep one?
No, but the fact is this, Raga. Him not behave badly about the mattress than how him behave with the DVD player, you know.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
So, hold on. When you say badly, him didn't even ask back for the mattress?
Yeah, what I want me and him have an argument, and him waiting me down on my bed and such like that. I know the night Raga missed. I was surprised the man lift me off of the mattress and fling me at ground. Saying he want it back. But at that time, I animal loaded in the house, so nobody know about that. He never really gone nowhere. And him lean up the mattress.
Wait right there, so man. Wait right there, so still. Big and serious. If Sam go on bad for the DVD player in the public, but you say never go on so bad for the mattress. You're serious? You are telling me say you sleep on the mattress at the man. Lift out the mattress and fling you off of the mattress, fling you on ground, and say one back the mattress, like it true. Anyhow, you give up a mattress, you're going to ground, don't you? You can't do it without the DVD player, but right now, as far as the country, you can't do that. Well, I there. Tambourine! Well, I put the mattress here, baby. Well, a week. Well, I put the mattress here, so wait, you know. So you want him done with you everything, right? And I stop by there, don't you?
I don't want him back in my life. I'm a disgrace.
All right.
Disgrace. And the fact is this, be glad I'm going to live with him.
Okay.
And
okay.
It's like, he live with his sister and brother. Everybody just bungle up one place. I mean, I really want another day. Catching care of it right now.
Well, him live with him sister and him brother. Everybody bungle up one place.
Everybody bungle up. So if he say, hey, everybody flying. can't deal with it.
Which part him live? Him have him own a mattress?
Well, I mean, yes, him a pay down for one court.
Him a pay down for a mattress for himself a court?
For me, yeah. Yeah, big.
So wait, him buy a mattress for you for yourself before him buy one for himself?
Brother, to be honest with you,
Eh?
I don't really business if you want to buy one for yourself. Me, I'm going to Pastor P.D. and he's not getting it back.
But
Not so long I'm used to.
what you say? It's a silly Pastor P.D. because he's not getting it back.
Yeah, and me, I tell you to be honest with you, me used to go to doctor a lot with my back on side and such like that. And for him buy that mattress, all of the pain leaves me.
Oh, Lord, man.
So me
All
go
right,
to left, right,
big question.
center.
But big question. Suppose him come to you now and say, yeah, here I know. Me will allow you. Me will leave you alone. All I want is you give me back my mattress and everything done with right there. So what you do?
No, you can't get it back, man.
So, but it sounds to me like you said you'd have put on your foot and war him to keep the mattress there.
Exactly.
The mattress is...
Make him stay upon this. It's like a 3-year me animal talk, and I don't see it's the only thing I can show is a prostopedic, nothing more.
You know, I find that, them are going to go to break, but I find that interesting, you know, that when women are talk about relationship, women are always thinking about what they have to show for being in the relationship.
Mm-hmm.
Men, we are not socialized to do that, you know. You never hear a man say, well, I'm there with that too, at least I have something to show for you. Most of the time, you don't, 99% of men don't talk that way because people don't grow with that way there. But them grow that way. If you say once you're in a relationship with a man, you must have something for sure for you. And when we go say, if we have something to show, we gonna say we walk this and we kill this and everything. Because what is interesting right now, you know, you and him broke up, you have a mattress to yourself where him buy, and him not have none for himself, him appear down for one of courts right now. Well, so to me it sound like him I idiot because this may sound cool, you know. Me rather buy a mattress to myself first, you know, and then make you come sleep on it too, you know, before me buy one for you and me not have none.
He's lucky. If they want it already.
All right, let's set up the talk. Respect here.
All right.
Yeah, man, you take care. Hey, a real thing with that mix up there a while ago, you know. May I tell you, boy, a man once said to me, him say, to all of them man that who are send woman go school, him say them are idiot. But the man them for do is send themselves go school first. And then you think about sending another woman. Think about it, food for thought, soon forward.
I mix up and blend that time.
I'm wanting to call and talk up the things them.
Yo, welcome back up in I juggling and we say mix up and blender with me, the king of mix up, Ragashanti. Yo, may I tell you, you know, when I go vex with me right here, you know, hey, me see a woman write a thing a while ago, you know, the woman say, she wanna take the mattress straight. Miss Independent, she said. Independence. The man must give her the money and she buy what she want. Only hear the reason. She has said, if the woman take the mattress directly, then that is a form of dependence. But she said the woman need to be independent. And independent means you take the money and then you go buy the mattress. And only hear the madness there. So dependence and depending upon a man is if the man buy the mattress gear. But independence is when the man give you the money and then you go buy what you want with it. And it might be that you go buy a mattress. Damn foolishness. That's why no girl can come clown me with them things there. That's why no found I run out in a video like about independent. And no found I run out in a video like Uno is a set of damn teeth and Uno say leech and bleach from people for things. It's true. And I come up with a warped and weird definition of independence. Now, the other thing is this. We have a thing in Jamaica where we talk about the P pension. I want to know what the P mean. When we're talking about the P pension, I have no problem with the woman them who think that they must have something for sure for them pension when them in a relationship. Because when you hear it all a while, and mostly get away hear it. But when relationship broke up, a man want to take back this. The first thing you hear woman say, you not get it back. When you did I dig up my belly and I jump up in my womb and whatever this and that, me I keep this to my P pension. Me have no problem with that. All me I say is that the man them need to wise up. On the need for wise up, and we did a talk about financial instrument today and Ray. The man them need for wise up and defend for no C pension. And if a woman don't want to be fair and say, well, if a man want to defend him C pension and film business that, but she going to defend her P pension. But when you have some woman who I go talk and I say, no, a woman alone for defend pension in them situation there. And them try to psych we out. All man listen to me now. All of the man who always about me out. Now listen to me talk right now for a minute. Right? Them try to psych we out. And them socialize we in believing that once you're in a relationship, it's primarily the woman alone supposed to be getting from the man. I want to hear me talk about this all the while. The construction of sex is always that it's the woman that give we something. And very rarely, them admit say, yeah, the man I give the woman them something too. So we are socialized to think of ourselves that we must always be grateful. If we get it, we must be grateful. We're lucky, so we get it. You understand? So me have no problem with the woman that defend them P pension. But all man need for rise up right now. No pun intended. All man need for rise up and defend on the C pension. A man when on in a relationship, only for say what the backside when I get too tight to. Again, you know, I show you how them have done me, you know. The woman them, you know, because them have say, Raga, we are talking about, I work this man not to do that, and it in the Bible and all kind of generalship. On a lucky, and on a lordy, when I look upon, if me in a relationship with that woman, me want to see the backside when me ever get too tight to. Now, follow me now. There's nothing wrong if you're there with that woman who not have it, you know, and you have to work with that. There's nothing wrong with that. Right? But the idea must be that, yo, one day she will get on her foot and she will contribute. Or perhaps, you know, the way the thing set up, she will hold it in the relationship and contribute in some other way where you can say, boom, bang, January, and me I bring in the money, but me not lie. She will hold it yes under ear. No, man, a good woman that she deserve it. Right? Sometimes you have some breakups along them line there. And a divorce to reach and a man will say, no, you know, so I have a problem I give her half because January, if I never she won't even make the whole of what I have. Or she saved my life. Or she this or that. You have some man who make them reasoning there. So I don't have no problem with that. But may I say with this whole thing, where the construction of relationship and sex is that it's always the man must be giving. And at the end of the day, when the woman them are cut, the justification for cutting is, no, you didn't get my nookie, so you can't get back all of them things there. Once a statement like that is made, what they're also saying is that the man's instrument has no value. And it's just the woman's instrument of value. And until this day, I hold, all if me did have one little bump, it would have still have value. And may I say to all of the man them out there, if you don't believe your instrument have value, nobody else going to believe it. So you have to carry yourself as if your instrument have value. So all man out there right now and all thugs and whatever, grab up your seat and say, pick up my seat because it have value. And when you're in a relationship, defend your C pension just the same way how the woman them are defend for them P pension. Can I get a hallelujah?
Get up on your own with that one, yeah.
Yes, because you support the arms also, don't it? Don't it? Don't you one of them believe in them things that you don't it?
I'm not at that stage as yet.
You're not at that stage as yet? But you say you're not started yet. Why that English sound weak? But you hear them nasty this. You hear one woman post, lemonade without sugar can't be sweet, Raga. Raga, a woman have the sweetness. P pension, my sister. You're lucky. Eh? But
No,
lemon here,
sir.
no sugar
But me
can't
not
sweet.
lie, no, that woman they would go see her when she had jump up out of the sleep when all the bed a turn over in.
What you mean jump up? Just see her when she wake up after she lick up her head after she jump off of the bed and she... But you see how she had justified the thing.
Yeah.
She said, no, the bed thing never did too bad. I mean, it was private. I mean, the bed, the mattress, it fly up in the air, I fly up, I'm lick up and whatever, I'm drop and nearly kill myself, but it was private.
She don't know a road code, because all if you take with the DVD in a public, it just flip it back. I want to that dirty man, I can't want about DVD, him cheapy, she don't know if to flip the script, man.
No. On the contrary, I disagree with you. Mm-hmm. I think she know it. Because the position she's in right now, she can say, me give you back your DVD as a sign, as an unequivocal sign, a demonstration that me don't want you anymore. You know, get back your DVD where you did make up nice for and whatever. Because the DVD is expendable. Somebody put it nice so she give her the wants and keep the needs. No, so you are saying she don't know the road clone. I think she damn smart. Not only she do that, but her justification and her interpretation of when the mattress fly up in the air and they fling her off of the bed and she nearly kill her for herself or whatever. Her fear thing is that was nothing.
Yeah, she'll hold it for the mattress.
That was just trivial. The real issue here is the DVD. That is where he really was behaving terribly. So I had to give him back the DVD. But when he flipped the mattress and almost broke my neck, that was nothing. It's an everyday occurrence.
I lay down trying like I'm not get it. And me so comfortable. Get what?
You're not giving back the mattress?
Oh God, when I spread out in that move me.
So well on you're not giving back the DVD for you?
Then no more so me I do with it.
Okay, so you have the safety, you give back the
one.
You
mean? So, what me I give back ceiling for? Watch ya.
So okay, so you not give back, it's a ceiling poster.
Yeah, what me I give back that for?
It back?
When I spread out in that man, move me. You never get it.
No, but what I'm saying, if you're really a principled woman, a woman of principle, and pride, where you now make no man have anything over you or whatever.
Yeah.
If you give back the DVD, you don't give back the mattress though.
Yeah, I know, Raga, but listen, sometimes you have to put the whole principle thing aside, and fair is fair. Way more about the bed for when I go sleep on. I know like me did ask him if him bite. What me I give him back for?
Just before we go to the other card, and at this point, another thing I'm always, me, the principal, Raga the principal, right? Another thing I'm always a teacher, no man. That is why I said to you, when you go and give women things.
Exactly.
But me not say what me I say.
Me know what you say.
Me not say what me I say. Me say what me I say. I want to be. Why the spirit I take you today?
Me eat it for the bed.
What me I say? Men, whenever you're giving women things, always give them something where you in your mind, you just give her that and she don't owe you anything.
Exactly.
If you cannot give a woman something, whether from a car go down to a pin, if you cannot give a woman something, and the minute you give it to her, you say, it is no longer mine. Not only is it no longer mine, but she don't owe me anything because me give her that.
Yeah.
Then don't bother give her in the first place.
Exactly.
Don't give her in the first place. If you're going to give a woman something and have it say she owe you something,
I keep her ransom for bed.
You are going to set up yourself for all kind of drama, right? Next thing you know, you're going to do her something and you end up in a prison. And satisfied with your revenge and have one big strong man and hold you down at night time of service. You understand? So when me I say, men, whenever I'm giving women things, me, anytime me get a woman something, it is no longer mine. And I don't expect anything from her. If me get it, I'll be very grateful, me not lie. I'll be very, very grateful if she is somebody who shows gratitude.
Somebody
me
never
not lie. Me never turn my back on it. You understand? I mean, if it's somebody who, and we're not talking about sex,
Yeah.
Because it can't be like a girl, a woman, something, and you and her, don't even do this one. And she come back and give all a simple thank you. I'm saying, what's the respect for that? You know, some give people things and them do everything to come back and tell me thanks. Them always come back and ask for more. At least you come back and tell me thanks.
Yeah.
You understand? And you're good. And that is something you're getting back in return. So you know, if people would say.
Yeah.
But if you're involved with a woman and you look the sort out and you give her things with intention, so if you get something, don't give a woman something. That's why I tell you, say people misunderstand that song they were Vibes Cartel they sing when you're taking them. I see people don't cartel about that song then. I stand up in a university at the West Indies, you know. I'm argue with my colleague. I say, don't understand what the DJ has said. I don't care nobody want. You remember that song that Miss Lee?
Refresh my memory.
He said, like it I said, take,
you think it's easy?
Take something,
That's,
girl.
okay.
You think it's easy. And he must say, this is for the
Oh,
what
you
now?
take me things,
This is for the dresser. This is for the bed. I mean, I think that people really understand what I'm going right. This is because when a man, you know, all the things you get a man go work for mattress and bed and thing, you know, what kind of sacrifice going at that. And then whatever you go on and go on, like you don't even want to do the simple thing and dash out the things, then if you know, say you're not going to dash it out, with the backside you go take it for. And that's in a female, you know.
Yeah.
Because you know, say that more. I tell man, don't give woman things if you cannot. If you cannot, just say, yo, me cannot eat that. You know, anything.
Like, KD could have Barrett post on the wall and say, him think you can sleep on DVD. So basically, she is saying, no, with the whole wants and need things. Yeah, you give her the DVD because the DVD can't comfort you. But you keep the bed because you can spread out in the bed and relax, you know? And bust a 5 and thing, yeah.
And bust a 5?
Yeah, you know? Yeah, man.
Anyway, to the phone lines we go. The show nice today. To the phone lines we go. Good afternoon. Hello.
Amen, Raga. Very well
Greetings.
said.
All right.
Very well said, man. No, yeah, we have a mix-up. I know you're a mix-up. I got to say one.
Yo, what kind of humming that? Hold on, what kind of humming that are going? I pop down your phone, pop down.
The blackberry in the sky is too rich.
Okay, all right.
So go and stay with me for now, and that's that.
All right, just time I come, yeah, man.
Eh?
All right. Yeah, man. Yeah, talk up.
Hey, Raga. Want to big up my sister-in-law, we give me one man and come back safe.
Oh. Well on. Your sister-in-law.
Yeah.
Hold on. Your sister-in-law is your brother woman?
A brother woman. Introduce
you one
to
man.
a guy.
Yeah.
And come back safe.
All right. Well on. She left your brother?
Yes, I'm a brother left. After sharing brother left, she come back safe.
So after she and your brother left, she come take the man where she did set you up on?
Yeah, she give me a man and me and him happy. And she happy to see that. So,
well on. Well, how long ago she introduced you to the man?
How long? About 6 months after.
6 months. And you and the man did there, una sort out and a palm and do the things and so forth, right?
Yes.
And then,
So
about how long after she left your brother?
1 month.
So is a month after she gave the man, she left your brother a month after?
No, 6 months after she give me the man. Then a month after. Me and the man I got 6 months.
Right.
And during that time, 1 month before, she and my brother left, then she come back to me. After she and my brother left.
Okay, so you and the man there for 6 months, but about 5 months she left your brother.
Yeah.
And then 1 month after she come drive back for the man when she gave.
Yeah.
So then wait. So what the man said to you then? What the man really said to you?
No, I mean left him to him. I keep him under the quiet. The man I did the thing. I'm a find out. I'm left him. So I'm left him and him left. So I'm just let him go on to her.
But the man now do the things the man under the quiet.
Huh?
Oh, so that's why you left him then. So why she come set him up on you then? What was the reason?
So she like him. I don't know what makes it me, but...
No, well, you don't see how I go on. You don't see how I go on. You never see the sights. And that man that she really into, you know, the whole time she attacked to your brother, you know.
But why she introduced the two? She doesn't never brother go and speak with him there. She going to come give me...
No, because she never ready to leave your brother yet. She just use you as Sykes. So when the brother have it to you and him, then when the brother see him and she, the brother not going to think nothing.
Okay. What?
You don't understand? I wouldn't be surprised if I saw the thing set for a long time, you know. She and the boy I do the things long time, but she never, for whatever reason, I don't know. But she never ready for left your brother yet. But true, she want to go and do the thing. She just arrange to him go and sort you out and give you a fix up and deal with it because once for your brother, what she there with, see you and a man, she and a man they apart. He might say, no, I'm a sister man that she apart with. You understand?
Yeah.
Then the time I cock her up in all kind of position and all them things.
Right, so.
No,
Right,
John,
so.
she cool. She cool.
Oh,
and she says, hey, that's why. I when me see all them things, I tell my virgin them all the while, you know. So when woman go for set the thing, man can't touch woman pan them something. Because woman different when them a set the thing. Different. When they not set the thing. Mad. Anyway.
One more thing, Raga, more. Big up my sister-in-law.
Yeah.
I get one piece up under the choir.
Big up your who?
My sister-in-law want to get start out under the choir.
You want to get sister-in-law start out under the choir?
More she give me them. More she give me start out under the choir.
You want your sister-in-law? Well, is that different? Is that different sister-in-law?
Yeah, the first one at my long time, I don't know. The one you know, the one I'm telling first, but was a good bye.
So that one is sister of who? Sister of who?
My boyfriend.
When you say your boyfriend sister.
Yeah.
You want your boyfriend sister to give you a start out under the choir?
Yes, I got.
Well, on a real thing, yata.
Yes, I got. What kind of time? Yes, I got. A real thing.
No, but let me ask you something. You ever sleep with a woman yet?
Never.
Talk the truth. Gotta listen to you. Gotta listen to you. You ever sleep with a woman yet?
No, Raga, never.
So,
never,
you come for one? Or you come for one, your man?
I don't know where it come from. I don't know where it come from. But I don't know. Since about 2 years, it's always, that's what I experienced. I don't know why. It's just overcome from myself.
For 2 years now, you want... Well on. Is it 2 years now you want to sleep with a woman, or is it 2 years now you want to sleep with your man or your man's sister?
Sleep with that woman. No, not more sleep with that woman. More experience that woman.
You want to experience that woman? No, yes. I'm going to ask you for help me. Help me. Just help me. Mm-hmm. If you were to push yourself right now to say, oh, this come out in your head, what would be the explanation? What, a cable you watch, or somebody tell you something, or you come to reach a point that, given that you were not like that all the time, or you come to reach a point that where you want to experience a sort out with that woman?
Okay. Be honest with you, I don't know where this feeling comes from. That's why I tell you, some of the women, when they say them born that way, I don't believe.
Yeah. You don't believe so?
And the experience is just, I don't know. I don't know what caused me to get it away, but so, we always have that feeling of the child.
So when you say feelings now, what you do? You lay down at night time and fantasize about it and them something?
I always look for a woman. I look for the day, man, like attractive woman, like, some attractive. I always look for them and I say, like, girl, look good and,
Oh, so you find yourself a sick woman. Well on. You find yourself a sick woman, and when them sexy, you get out some sexual feelings, and I say, boy, I wonder what it would be like if I'll do so and so with a one there, don't
exactly it? So, exactly, yes.
Okay.
I don't know if I got me, I'm going to unaware, or it's just a curiosity thing, I don't know.
Then tell me something now. Your man's sister a lesbian?
Yes, I know.
Okay. You tell her, say you want her to start you?
No, I'm not telling her. I'm not telling her. But now put myself in the way to make it happen. But if she come on to me, probably it would happen. But and she not do that. So I'm not going to put myself in the way to make sure know that I have this feeling.
Okay. So is it the case that this feeling could just go away and you don't want it anymore? Or is it the case where you think, say, boy, that feeling I just not going to leave you until you try something with a woman?
That my feeling not going to try it. My feeling not going to. Because 2 years now, no change is not different.
And it not change in 2 years?
No.
So when you say you want, she shot you. Then when they say shot you, what you really want?
What we say? Is there something bad? We don't know.
I think you said something will start with H, don't it? You say you want to feel... Oh, whole, H-O-L-D. Oh, okay.
Yes. Oh, God, no.
What are they? Tambourine! No, me never hear right there. You see, true that. Take the chance.
Oh, no, I don't want to.
No. Hold on, I didn't funny, because other word the dancehall I play with, girl, me want to hold, squeeze, whatever this and that, and cash for goal and cash for your hold, so them I play with it. So, me just never quite sure, so me just say yes, me yes, well, and that, well, obviously, well, okay, good. What you're saying, you said was, you want to feel how for them body feel and how for them hold feel, right? Me think you did say something else. I thought that D was a E, so I said, cut you out quick. Okay. So well, I don't know. So you know, so all the people abund them things here and I say, boy, it's an abomination unto the Lord. And you know, if not watch them things in the mind, don't you? You know, pay them things in the mind.
No, I was going to say, I wasn't born that way. It's just a feeling. So I wouldn't do that. So
if you don't do it with your brother, sister, with your man, sister, you could probably do it with somebody else, no?
I feel so, I guess so, yeah. It will happen sometime. I just don't know when.
Okay. And if you do it,
put myself in another way.
But
if it happens, somebody moves to me, like, yeah, but I'm not going to move to nobody.
But you realize you would have born your man with a woman, right?
Yes. Not wrong with that, probably. But that's the...
Wait is it? Nothing wrong if a woman born a man with a woman?
No.
Nothing wrong with that? But something wrong with it if she born a man with a man?
Yeah, that's a bun.
That's a bun.
Woman never enjoy themselves. That's a bun.
All right. Suppose your man go born you with a man.
You go born with a man?
Yeah.
Well, brother, I don't know. It's not different because it's not different.
What you say, what?
It's not different.
That's not different.
I don't feel would have the problem with enemies. But
well, you say you wouldn't have no problem with it? Well, then, if your man go on you with the next man, you wouldn't have no problem with it?
No.
When
would have left him, yes, would have left him see it, but I'm not going to condemn him or anything like that.
No. You know, say you have a whole heap of figuring out for you, don't you? Don't you?
Why? Somebody never condemn him or say him wrong. But
no, me understand what you say, but me just say, why? You have some things that you obviously a work out and thing and whatever. I just want to wish you all the best with it and sit. Here?
No, me have going to figure it out for this kind of.
Eh?
Yeah, I know that.
Okay. But take your time, and in all of this, remember you must be kind to you and protect you and take care of you. All right? Don't put yourself careless for some crazy thing happening to you, yeah?
Yes, but
all right, blessings. Oh, what Jesus. Yo, I'm cool. I say I'm hot up in the people in cool country and I'm hot right there now because it's so warm. Well, I will break soon forward. Yeah, we up in nice sitting there. We up in nice sitting there and thing. And we used to mix up and it's so warm in idea when I lie. Everything is everything. Again, I want to remind you that I'm actually in the United States. And big up to the Mixup team down there, DJ Chris Cross. Rooted the Cute, the producer of the show, of course, Jermaine King. Technical operator, Richard Rainford, technical operator, and Rowan. And of course, Bellias, Gotti, a.k.a. Patty Belly. Michelle, Emily, and a bag of sitting down there, what it same way and thing. But boy, Emily,
yeah?
What go on this with a car? What you think?
Boy, our life come like a jigsaw, man. All right. She need to make up her mind quick though.
No. But no. Hold on, do you know? You know, say she not, in terms of make up her mind, she really never did a buck shuffle.
I don't know. In some way, it's
No, she know exactly what she wants to try.
Mama tell you what she come across. You know, like them people always say, I can't do it, but really and true, them know so them she have that kind of little light thing that she sound like to me. I don't know.
No. I still disagree. I did not hear her say anything was say, I can't do it. In fact, she was quite clear that she want to do it. But what she says, though, is that basically she wouldn't initiate it. But she said she want to do it. In other words, she want to do it to the point where if an attractive lesbian step to her, she would explore it. But she's very clear about what she want to try. And she's actually, sufficiently clear about how she would react to some other things. So she not really book shuffle. And she said 2 years now, the curiosity, I lock her in and sit. You see it? Man. Crazy.
Them
okay. Eh?
No, I'm just asking them say a curiosity kill Miss Thomas post, you know what I mean?
Yeah, but at the same time, them say a curiosity, it was curiosity that leads to creativity and innovation. Think about it. Okay. In-law mix up boy your sister-in-law, that do the pan, mix up boy your brother-in-law, mix up boy your father-in-law, your mother-in-law. We just get a solid mix up there. So, but in a two in-law mix up, she give in a one, two different in-law mix up there, so she does shot and thing, and them shell down, them turn up, them a cause big bad wood. Okay, to the phone lines we go. Good afternoon. Hello.
Hi, Raga. How you doing?
Well, I'm there. I give thanks. My noise.
That's good. How's the new year treating you?
You know, so I talk it all the while. I might set a problem them too, yeah? But I am fortunate to be in a position where I have way more to be thankful for than the crisis where they put me. So I am blessed.
Well, that's good. And I wish you all the best for the new year. Wish you more prosperity, more productivity, more health, and wealth as well.
Yeah, man. And we want you saturate tonight too, We want blessings flood you too, the same thing.
Thank you very much. So, Raga,
hold on, is all this?
That caller, that was talking about.
Who is this?
Raga, just cool, man.
You sound like somebody we know, man.
Maybe.
Suppose it?
I'm a first-time caller. I always listen, but I'm a first-time caller.
Is that the truth?
Yes, that is the truth.
Oh, no, you sound like one caller we know, one family member named Spruce, man. Anyway, Granta. Spruce,
okay,
you
get the link.
No, honestly, we don't even
no, man, we'll tell you something, man.
I swear to God. Well, I
never pinch you and tell you.
No, well, I look for my BlackBerry. No, man, she not tell me. Honestly.
Yeah?
She not tell me.
So you just pick up my voice and me go on with the twang, see how we are.
No, man, no, let me pick it up, Spruce, because, you remember say you always catch me, so you catch me so many times that I know your voice now. We always
my
catch
voice now. So I'll go on.
I'm there, Spruce, I'm there, I give thanks,
You're blessed?
Yes, man.
Blessed and highly favored, that we said for the 2011.
Boom, badang, bang, 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 bing. See it there?
Yeah, but the caller there, see, would say, the girl come back for the man. She don't realize that the girl, they just scare the man to put on till when she ready. You know when you have something and you want to put it down, you give it, put on till when you're ready, you come back for it.
That was just the Sykes.
Well, that she get a friend, the man, to put on for her till when she ready. Because she don't want him to go too far.
Exactly. And she said, just go and palm she, because we have Sheila.
Till when
man,
we're ready.
Yeah, when we're ready.
She never really tell her, I said she will come back see him.
Yo, that might do any supposed to because I said she set it from the get-go, you know.
Yeah. She never wanted the man straight too far where she couldn't find him.
Cool, man. I can't see when she I set it up and I'll go to the girl and I say, yo, I have a good man here, you know.
Yeah.
Nice piece of man.
Yes,
and he will take care of you and you have to deal with him. You have to talk to him. And you can't see all when she all attack you and say, you know, say, man, sort out what you think. Go do it. Do it.
But you know exactly where to find him back when she's ready.
And I want to tell you, you see all that, she probably had to tell him how him for sort her out, what him for do and what him not for do.
Probably all of that too.
How far him for go.
Yeah. So don't bother go too far, don't get too deep in anything.
Yeah.
But the next
Brucey, when me always I say with them thing there, it's when woman I set it there, the burning thing and I go on with the crafty thing and whatever. It's like phone mind just so complex and deliberate and patient and technical. I want to pay attention to details and whatever. It's like on the mind, on a map out the thing first, you know?
Yeah, it's all planned out.
Well, not easy, man.
The next call I know with the mattress thing. Him look him get back DVD, him not get back nothing.
You want to give back the DVD player?
So
well, if a man come and load you about a DVD player, suppose a man come and load you upon a say.
Well, I would have said, well, it's like how you're going, you're not getting it back. You're not getting back nothing.
Let's suppose a real bad boy.
All of what me give you, eh? How about giving me back all of what me give you?
And what exactly are you referring to now, Sprucey?
Whatever, Raga, whatever you're thinking.
No, but give back. Hey, me no mind if a woman say that to me. Think about it. If a woman said to me, you know how much salt out me give up, I want back my salt out. I say, all right, come take it. I'm ready to give back your salt out. Any woman that tell me, hey, you know how much salt out you give, you're going to give me back my salt out. I say, all right, yeah, come on, me give you back your salt out them right now.
If you want back your things, then you have to give me back what me give you.
Then if you take back salt out, take back salt out.
Want them back too.
All what?
All of what me give me, want them back too.
All right, there's Sprucey. Let me ask you something. If a man and a woman there, and the man buy a bag of things give the woman, him buy whatnot gear, him buy car gear, him buy dresser gear, him buy bed gear, right? She don't buy him nothing. And the two of them are sort out. The whole time.
Right.
And let's say the dolly house are mash up now.
Right.
And let's say the woman violate too. I could put it that way.
Right.
And she say, you know, so I just not love you anymore. I just need to move on because I'm just not happy. And I see somebody who I like, I want to move on. And the man say, all right, you see, since you are going, so I want back my things. Right? And say you in that position, you know. What you da do?
I give them back.
You da give them back in that position?
In that position, I give them back because I want to get out, you know. So you say, I want to back things them. All right, go on with them. Take them and go on, and we say independent.
So, you da give him back all the mattress and sleep on, you da give in that position, you da give him back the mattress and sleep on the bed, and sleep on the ground?
But a girl like me now go sleep on the floor.
No. I just say hypothetically.
All right, suppose me never have nothing. Suppose me never have nothing.
Right, and that me say.
Yeah, me not give it back.
And sleep on the floor.
Yeah, me proud them way there now.
All right. You're a good woman, Sprucey.
Yeah, man.
You're a good woman.
But when I go on and now and I tell me about him want back this and him want back that and I go on and load up at him, I say, all right. Since I say you're going, you're not getting back nothing.
You see?
Yeah.
All right. Are you a gangster?
A what list man that?
Well, you say, Mr. Take you back them, I work list man.
Mr. Take you back, a what list man them?
So,
we don't really walk around them, man, they still. So.
All right, but tell me something. If a man there with that woman, and she not spend the money upon him and take care of him too, just like how you might take care of him, whatever, she a work this woman?
Well, But she had the money to spend. Not really work it, but
yeah. Well, that is not what I'm asking. You see, Spruce, come on now. A Raga you attack. You know you can't go on with this. But ask your question. All right, then since you got your general shit, then make us say. So the two want to have money. The two want to have money. But the man say I'm spending money and whatever. And the woman say, no, the man be spending money and she not spending money upon her man and whatever. I think, whatever. She a workless woman?
Not really. She does not spend her money.
A wicked on a wicked. Me say a wicked on a wicked. A wicked on a wicked.
Spending money.
Yes, man.
Money,
no, but you not say no to it. Well on, you not say no to it, and you make and you make sure say you smile up with him and give him the hug them and the rub them for make him think say something not go on. And all when things are going on, you make sure say you fling out the something and whatever and say, yo, spend the money, yeah. I sound the tan on a wicked. I wanna cut Jesus slippers.
Whatever, Raga, I don't care what you want to say. I saw me say. Spend your money if you want to spend your money. If me not spend my money, me not spend my money.
Well, a real thing. That's why a man for know himself, don't?
Yeah. You for know what I deal with.
Oh, but me that's why, hey, Spruce, me know you know some of my business about people who me helping. I know you know that, right?
Yeah.
And I will help people me help. But me not lie to you, know. You see, me can't spot them from a mile off, you know, Spruce. Some of them smooth, you know.
Yeah, you can't know them.
You see when they come in, and them all sometimes they call, you know. Sometimes they all answer the phone and you hear them a bust big laugh, and as soon as they hear your voice, they put on the press sound for you, know, Spruce.
Let me tell you.
Well, you call and you hear them. I will if people are foreign, me no experiences when I talk to people at Jamaica. You know.
Oh,
yes. Hear somebody there, yeah, I mean, I tell you something there. But there was one of beer vibes, and I tell you, hello, how this? Uncle Charlie. Yeah, Uncle Charlie.
Yeah.
Uncle Charlie, why I'm a day, I take a hard life, rough, boy, I tell you. Hey, Spruce, you have some woman, you know. You see what, you have some woman, you talk to them, yo, babes, what happened? What happened? No, good. You all right? I said, me all right, man, but you good? Yeah, man. So what? Nothing. And you say nothing. All right, man. Listen to me, man. I know when you're all right and when you're not all right. Something wrong. Yeah. It's what me tell you.
Let me not all right. Me come on.
Well, I don't Spruce it. Well, I don't tip me want to talk about it. Why you don't want to talk about it? Come on, man. Talk to me, man.
When you really want to talk about it.
I tell you, boy, I have a school fee, I say, man, but if you get the check, I'm going to get the check, and I don't even know what going on. You hear something about the landlord, you hear something about our car or whatever, and warm me up, you know. Hey, Spruce, me had a boss on them that way.
Well, me can't buy a girl and can't come on, because I want something, me just say, very Raga, me don't like so and so and so.
I know some respect them, woman, the better.
Yeah, me come straight and make you know what me want.
Yes, when they come in and general shit there, there's nobody more understanding than me. Nobody in this world more understanding than me. Because I feel them pain right away. And I connect with them. Because I feel them pain and I connect with them. Not even a brown money then go and get out of my pocket. Then damn lucky old thief them. Oh!
Oh, you mean? Yeah, play the game too. Make them know, say, you know what I want. But boy,
that's how I work.
Everything, you just can't do that right now, you know?
No, man, you have to know if stand up out there, man. It's wicked a road, man. Wicked a road.
Because everybody want you shell out. Especially when them not say they're fine. You see, when time they call you and you come, oh my God, man, you bring the whole America come.
Well, hey, what's proceed? Some of them bad panic doing it. I tell you straight tonight.
Oh, yeah.
Some woman, you know. Well, you have some woman, you know, who target you forget where them want, you know. But you know what them do? Right away, them start spend on you, you know.
Okay.
But you see, them, you have to understand for them family line. Give a little to get a lot.
When they must spend, they must expect tenfold.
Yeah. They might expect it back later on down if it come on,
Oh, yeah.
In a lump sum.
Exactly.
That's why I know for I give them things I don't want it. I'm not hungry.
That me I said
You
too.
understand? You
Hey,
understand?
Raga.
But anyways, put it up.
Never
Eh?
do you know, me did
Say that.
me did talk to a man, you know.
Yeah.
And ready to change my car. So
Yeah.
he might go with me and thing and we go look for car and whatnot, and when the time comes for the deposit for me now. And he asked me, how much are the deposit? I said, well, $4,000. Me never ask this man for nothing, you know. Me never tell this man I want him to help me do nothing because I don't want him, I don't want. I don't want him to carry me go to Judge Judy.
Right.
Man, now answer him phone. Stop answering phone. You know, when he hear from him, when my phone, when me change my car down and everything, and me have my car.
Yeah.
At that time, I hear from him.
Let's push it about some other call, but no, with all due respect, though, when you didn't mention it, you never want anything from him, or if him did offer you that, take it. If him did offer you that, take it?
No. No.
Okay.
If him did offer, me no want it. You know, hear me say, me no want nobody carry me go to Judge Judy.
Okay.
In this place, you have to be careful. Mother carry picnic. Grandparents are carry grand picnic.
Well, and for people who don't know, Spruce is in the United States. So, that, you say. And when you say them family in a ramp, pick care them relatives go to court, no?
Let me tell you. When you watch them, that thing, man, I used to see. All old grandparents are come to court where a sue grand picnic and mother, a sue daughter, and a sue son, and brother-in-law, and all kind of things for money. Them is all about money. You understand?
Spruce, let me bunk some more.
It wasn't a gift. It was a loan.
Me see them man. Judge Judy and the big fat black judge there and the little sharp black one and the whole of them.
We don't want reaching out to me. Do my thing, pay my money, and borrow from who me need to borrow from and pay back. And me have my things. We don't want nothing from none of them.
That's the word. May I go to some other call here, Spruce?
Yeah, man. So take it easy, Raga, and everything good for the new year. Stay blessed.
So, you know. It goes so.
Cutie, and Michelle, a.k.a. Patty Belly, was strong.
All right. That's the word, man. Blessings and respect, Bruce.
Take it easy. Bye-bye.
Cool. All righty, then. We are juggle. Bunks and next caller. Bunks and next caller. Good afternoon. Hello. Hello? Yes, greetings.
Raga.
Whoa.
Yeah, me have a mix-up for you.
Say that.
A cousin mix-up.
All right.
Big up to my cousin. She's 16 and she deal with me 34-year-old man. No.
Hold on. All right, go on.
Yeah, you hear me?
Yeah, man, I hear you. Go on.
No, me and this man, they for like 3 years now, Raga. And around last year, midnight summer day, I find out, say, him and my cousin there for at least 13 months.
Right.
To be exact. No, this girl I like, my real cousin, close-up cousin, you know. She talks to me, she see me, and all of them things they Raga.
Right.
She not stop texting and then continue with for them relationship. No, he said to me, say, yo, he want this thing to work out and thing and re.
Right.
So I say, all right, fine, give him a chance and thing. But Raga, would you believe me, say, yo, this man have a next woman with me?
Hold on. I could go back to your cousin. How old are you?
23.
Yeah, 23. I have a 16-year-old cousin who I go to school and sitting, right?
Uh-huh.
Right. And how old is your man?
34.
34. And where you say you find out?
I find out like last year, June, thereabout, July.
Oh, you find out. What you say?
She write him one letter, Raga, me sign it. I give him details, everything in Raga. And then me ask him about it, and then
what you mean? Everything like what? Hold on. What you mean? Details, boy.
Me like she has What happened in January? What me, you know, then little picnic something there, man. What happened in February, March, whatever. You said we don't read a 3-page, you know, like a back and front, you know.
All right. And when me want to ask you, was the letter sent to that? What? Okay. When you say
my
what
boyfriend, Raga.
No, hold on. When you say what happened, was she writing about the things what them do already?
Yes, Raga.
So your boyfriend did that sort out your 16-year-old cousin then for months upon months
yes,
upon
Raga.
months?
Straight.
And when she did the things that what she write, a woolly for something she write.
Yes, Raga, back and front, 3-page.
So then go on with a woolly for things then, do you?
Raga, yes, me a sign a video, Raga.
What the clarity you tell me, say, them all make video of the sort out, them and all and some of them.
Raga, me have it too.
Well, so you see your brother do the things them in a video up to your 16-year-old cousin?
Yes, Raga.
So you see the style them?
Yes, Raga.
Let me just ask you something quick. All them did that do it, that's how you want him do it?
How long?
No. How them did that do it? The different style them and the things them when them do. And the same thing you and him do are a different something?
Just the general thing, Raga.
Just the general thing.
Well thought out, Raga. I know it's
all right.
today, Raga.
I know you and him still there.
Yeah, but me I left him, Raga. Me I left him this year. Can't bother no more.
Hold on. So when you find them things that you talk to him, what him said to you?
Him explain himself why, you know, him do that and how him get attracted to her, all of them something there, Raga.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, and then me the kind of mess up one little way for Raga. So, besides time I give a second chance.
Well, I stop right there. So what you mean you did kind of mess up one little way? Talk to me.
Him did find out about me and somebody too, but it wasn't long.
No, hold on. You did burn him too?
Yeah.
Okay, you did burn him different from when him did a burn you with your cousin?
Yeah, man.
Who you did burn him with?
My good friend, man. Raga, it never did say happen, but it just happened. I never something whatever.
It never did happen, but it just happened.
It just happened. Find myself in a, you know, one of them.
You chose for it to happen, or you allowed it to happen. But anyway, that is not the focus right now. So, your man, where you still there with right now? You know if him still assault out your cousin?
Boy, Raga, boy, I don't know, you know. Unless me think so, but me not have no evidence right now. Me know so them still talk and he might say, yo, they not in a nothing and all of them something there. But me not believe in Raga. Listen to the one, Raga. The other day, see? Me find, in time of one night stand with one girl.
One different girl?
Yeah, one different girl, you know. And this is during story relationship. And the girl writes an apology to him, say, oh, she messed up over the years and she's sorry and all kind of something. Right?
Yeah.
No, Raga, if it is a one-night stand, how the hell she ever write him a letter apology?
Well, that makes sense. You're right about that. That I don't know. Well, that makes sense.
And then the other day, which was like 2 days ago, in seminar, my uncle, you know, Raga, my uncle comes from foreign. And he was say, I'm the man me there with. I know you that man that Raga.
No, the two are just about on one another, and the two are suspicious of one another, but I'm not idiot.
I mean, about
no.
Whatever.
No. I am not debating whether or not you are born him now, you know. And I want you to listen to me carefully. You just asked me if I'm an idiot man. So I said, no, he's not an idiot man because he has reason to be suspicious of you, just as how you have reason to be suspicious of him. So when a man suspicious of a woman, and the woman did burn him up already or whatever, and him suspicious and kind of knows that she can't do the things. When she come and she go tell a man, they say, no, I'm a cousin, I'm an uncle, or whatever. It's actually intelligent for him to be suspicious of that person because he knows that you're capable of ginaling him. But it's the same thing with him, with you. Because I know that any of him come to you right now and say, oh, I'm a cousin this from country. Given what you go through with
No.
your... With,
Raga, I did believe him, you know, it's because when my cousin did there, he always say, oh, she's my daughter. She's like a daughter to him. So I say, oh, you know them, whatever, because of my cousin, whatever. All if you think about it, Raga, the two of them there.
No, but what I'm saying is, if him come back to you now and say, and him really have a cousin with him now start out, don't you go still be suspicious of him? If him come back to you and introduce a nice, attractive girl, him say, no, I'm a cousin this man. We know you're not, I'm a cousin man and everything. Don't you go based on where you got through, don't you go and be suspicious of him?
No, Raga, my cousin, you know.
No, me know, but me just say, based on where him go through, where you go through, him go start out your cousin. If him come and you see an attractive girl around him and he must say, no, me and a girl and I do nothing. We go down at the party, but we not do nothing because I'm a cousin. You no suspicious sign?
Not really, no.
Okay. But anyway, we have to go cut and sitting and thing. But you just be careful out there and watch the drama where surround you. You hear?
All right, Raga, big up yourself.
Long time, protection and strength. People have to hold a break. We're soon forward. Yeah, man, welcome back up in our juggling. Now we used to mix up and blend that straight. Large upon yourself. All right. To the phone line to go. Good afternoon. Hello. Hello.
Hello.
Yes, greetings.
Greetings.
Uh-huh.
I'm called to give Raga a mix up.
Raga, yeah, talk up faster. Me attack.
Calling from Westmoreland to give you a mix up what happened in Westmoreland.
Talk up the things that might tell me what go down there.
A baby mother and a baby father mixed up. The baby mother go up get a start out and come back and take away the baby father money. And the baby father attack him at Raga and the woman lick out him front teeth with one pad cover.
What? Well, when I support arms out, you know, because anyhow, we did not say one man lick out a woman front teeth with that this and that, we would not laugh.
I would have still mixed up Raga, but I tell Raga, the woman lick out the brother front teeth, you know, and then after him lick it down. The brother bet me know him can't smile again, time the mother lick out him front teeth, Raga.
Oh, God.
And that was the first day of January, you know, Raga.
January 1st, for New Year's Day, so she started the start. Well, so all you know is that she going to start with somebody else.
Where's the Raga?
How you know that she going to start with somebody else?
Well, our man saying a Raga, and we man him lick a thing and hide it at the mattress. And the lady find it and take the Raga. But Raga, my man bunny bed in a Raga. The woman hello, so she find the money and the man bunny bed already where man hide the money in the Raga.
Well, I'm not understand. Who born which bed?
Because I want the argument for Raga.
Oh, okay. So who born the
man
bed?
Them go start out, you know, with somebody else and come see money now.
So the woman go start out with somebody else and come back, come tea for her baby father money.
A man bunny bed because the man hide the money in her mattress, cut the mattress. I hide it from the woman in her mattress. And the woman find the money, Raga, and take the money after she not find it.
Oh,
so
okay.
She not find it, he will light the bed then. But after the man light the bed, Raga, and come out and fight, and the woman use it for the lick out in teeth, no, Raga. The woman run book in her house and lock up, Raga. And then haul out in her house and find the money.
The woman ball out till she find the money?
Yes.
Okay. All right. And then film teeth get lick out with the pot cover.
He lick out in front teeth, Raga, with the pot cover, and the woman say, he can't smile again to get the next girl and front teeth gone. They don't know what Raga, what award left 10,000, anybody in the teeth, Raga, but nobody knows.
Well, who get a reward for 10,000 for the teeth? Who give
reward? I mean, let the reward not at Raga, because police come to lock up the man, you know. And I tell the police, the boy, lock up the two of them, because man lick out the woman teeth too. And the man, I bet me know the boy, we can't smile again, you know, my girl, because You know, see the girl lick out my front teeth, man. And she don't meet me without my teeth. Miss me meet me with all of my teeth, Raga. And Raga, but sit up and jerk up to, you know.
What the... What you say the other teeth them jerk up to?
Raga, making my nerve to Raga because other teeth them are shaking my brother head.
No, well, I know. But it sounds to me like you're telling me that at any moment the other teeth them could have go to.
They could have jump out Raga because Raga them fight very often, you know. Because I want them for like the last year, the years, that are December, last year, December.
No, man, well on. So him could have end up with mash mouth, don't it?
Yeah?
Him could have end up with mash mouth, don't it?
Not too Raga. But the
Yo, well on. Yo, we have work out here because somebody have played the radio near you.
I work with the Raga.
No, man, but somebody have played something near you a while. But anyway, respect for that mix up there, yeah?
Yes, Raga.
All right, you take care and then, you know, take care of yourself and work and everything. Bless you. Yo, when I hear that, them type of fight, they have teeth and leak out and all them something there. Right? That's why I'm at, hey, when I care no woman want to say, you know, any woman me I talk to, you know. You see, true, me know say me hearted and my thing, man. Me not make no man job. The minute some woman bring violence to me or whatever, you know, me I left her. More woman, non-violent woman. Me I left her, me I stop talk to her. I'm telling the man all the time. If you're going to deal with a woman, make sure say any woman who you deal with is a woman who not care what you and her go through. Once you lay down in that bed there, you don't have nothing to worry about. You're 100% safe. Again, any woman who not deal with, when I talk woman who just a palm and have fun with her whatever, but any woman who not deal with, make sure say is a woman where no care what you go through, all one on the highest heights of vexation and war and drama. You know, so once you lay down in that bed and shut your eye, you don't have nothing to worry about because she would never do that to you. You understand? If you even hear she do about that, left her. If you even hear she do about it, what should I do all in your sleep? Left her, right her. Left her. That was it. All right, give me our next call. Hello.
Hello?
Yes,
Hello?
greeting. Yeah, man, what's up?
Raga, me a call. Raga,
this?
full of mix up. You know how long me a try for call you first time, call a long time listener.
Who this? Yeah.
Raga. Back out from Trenchtown. Raga, my husband. I don't normally search him phone. But Raga, one night I day here and him come and wake me up, say one chicken. Say if him carry chicken for me. So Raga me there now and me. I want to sleep and him wake me up. So I wake up. Anyway, him end up just asleep and left me. So when needed can't go back to sleep. So me so one text come in on him phone, but you know him family them always a call and him work at night. So more time me answer the phone. So me now when me take up the phone now and looking at the phone, I want girl a send message. Raga send her back a message. Raga, the girl.
What kind of message she did I send?
She send message asking if him reach home. So Raga, and me anyway, me send her back a message and say, like I the man. So me and her send her back a message. So Raga, me take the number now. So one day, me call the number one long after, because I don't want to accuse him. So me call the number one long time after now. So when me call the number and say, hello, can I speak to my cousin? The person wrong number, so me hang up. Me not prolong with the argument. So the person texts me back and say, who you really want? So I'm saying, I know who me I talk to. So where you text me for? Raga, the girl can't spell. You have a wrong to text somebody you can't spell. Raga, the girl can't spell. The girl has stop text me. And she was... Well on.
Which one I word them to spell wrong?
Raga, known and A-N-D. She can't spell and.
Oh, she spell and.
Raga, I don't remember about to spell it wrong. She spell known wrong. K-O-N-N. She can't spell promise. Raga, no words she can't spell. And me,
I fear.
No, but sometimes, when people are text, they make mistake or them deliberately use abbreviated.
But when a letter is in the same number, you make mistake. You do not make mistake when. Remember, say if number one have A B C, you're supposed to make mistake with the A B C. She make mistake with the other letter when in other number there.
That's a very good point. Well, you explain yourself well right there. Continue, yes.
Raga, the girl cannot spell. Raga, if yesterday me I tease him and me I say, you wrong, go do with one dunce girl. For you go do with someone can me have education. So go higher than me. He must say, him and the girl not there now, because the girl make him embarrassed. Because some little word me I show him can't believe that a big girl like that can't spell them word there.
Well, what you say? You done the bonnet girl by showing him the words and she can't.
Raga, me send her on text. Raga, hear the text go. She say, I tell me up straight in the text, you know, because me never show. So when him come the night, after she tell me, you know, me, wait till him come and check the number, if me have the number right before me confront him. So when I confront him, Raga,
yeah.
I say, Kenisha. And I say she name, I'm just a give her name.
Right,
and I say she name, I say, Kenisha, so and so. I tell her to stop text my phone. Because she start texting me, you know, because me never know straight up, you know. So I say, tell Kenisha to stop text my phone. Raga, and the girl make me know when I text her, she and him there. I said, me check him phone now, and see how much text him, send her $25. And me see how much text him the day when the rain fall. She asked him where I'm there, so him sent left same I go work. That time she and him go meet.
Well on. So it's a $25 girl?
Yeah, $25 girl.
All right, so when me ask, what she did say to you make you know definitely say she and him do the things?
She said she known what she known.
She what?
She known what she known. That's the thing. The girl cannot construct her sentence good.
Well,
she
so
known
she
what
did
she
really
known.
No, so she did really want to say me know what me know.
Yeah.
I end up all right. Well, me knowing what me known.
Known and
okay,
K-O-double-N. No, me K-O-double-N. What me K-O-double-N.
Well, I there. So I don't chat down here and she said, my girl, what do you? Me known what me known. Okay,
right.
I mean known what me known.
Raga, when me check me I run side upon him. Raga, be a fact, me run upon him. Be a fact, me run upon him. I find out everything. I find out to the girl I work said it. Raga, the girl not stop texting me. She terrorize my phone because she go get my number. Raga, you know what I send her a text? I send, I say, congratulations. You have been selected as Digital very first hungry victim. You have won for yourself a bag of bulla, a dozen bag juice. You have won a trip to food for the poor and a weekend at Salvation Army. Raga, that get the girl mad. The girl send back a text from film phone and me have the phone. I said, tell your woman to stop text me. I send back a text and say the B word for the dog.
Yeah.
I send back that text and say the B word for the dog. Stop call my phone. Here send back the text after your big me start to. I start to write because I don't think she would have can't spell start out. After you call me the B word. I say Raga. I send back a text from my phone now. After I don't send the text from him and I say Jane Doe, Madden is looking for you. Raga, that get the girl mad.
But yeah, you just enjoy the thing.
Raga, I just enjoy it. All my neighbor them all I say, well, you're our best friend. I mean, she just a text me. She call, she text me. My friend them say she our best friend. Come can't just her call too. She get me. Raga, one night, Raga, him have him phone and don't know him phone. Raga, you see, if him erase the message, me have something where I'm going and find out say in the text or I'm the caller. Because if I go in and something else in him phone and erase the part that I don't know about it. So I know him send a text to her. So one night I say, hey, where your text her from? I see your number in your phone. You know how me get it. I say, well, you can one next time when you're and I left me show you how me get the text.
So,
Raga, erase the text, you know, but you have to go back in our next part of the phone and erase the number, you know.
So darling, which part of the phone that?
Raga, me have to go in and stop me in the phone. Raga, I'm listening to you. I can't go make him know. Come on, know when him text her. So Raga, I turn to him and say, why you text her?
Yo.
Turn to her and say, she text him and him text her back. Some say, him raise her up. Some say, why you raise her?
You know,
Yo,
you know, she
well, I
be
know.
embarrassed.
Well, I know,
She be
Bills.
embarrassed because she
Well, I
can't
know.
spell.
Well, I know. You have no idea what you just do.
What?
Me not ask you. You have man and woman. I get busy, you know, with them phone and I say, Papa Jesus. And I call them friend. You know what she talk? I wish part else sit there. Hey, you have people that get busy, you know, with them phone. Me not ask you.
Raga, my credit I got do. Me say me want you call me because you see man in brother. Me say Raga them a drama. Me say see him brother mix up. Me say that mix up the key done kind brother married to one of my friend. And me say Raga.
Alright, hold on. Give Ruth your name and number now. Give Ruth your name and number now. Here. All right, Ruth, take her name and number and send her on the next caller. We will call her back because she has some good mix-up. But I know I said crazy people right there that want to get busy with them phone and I said, no, stop. I have to find out that way this day and this and that, and that, what. How we used to mix up, you know. I saw it thing said. You see that sitting in him cell phone? You see that sitting in him cell? Remember, you know, man. All right, give me our next call. Hello.
Raga?
Yeah.
Hello?
Yeah.
Raga, come like a long time. I should have show you the WhatsApp. Forget the WhatsApp computer. Raga, you know, say? Raga. It's come like a long time.
Biggie. Just try and talk to me and call up my name, son, man.
I told my signature. I have to tell come and talk. Listen now. Listen now. Like a long time. I hook up the washing machine. Then forget the WhatsApp computer. Come back. Yeah, see your friend put up a new picture. That picture that look good for them. I'm not telling you, when girls get them from to get them shit and find that picture, they should have away, but that's too bad.
Well, they see me post and say, no, the only thing me don't like, me I say it from now. She have a white brassiere and that.
Right, but you can't go on.
Hold on. No, hold on. Me not done yet. I'm talking, no, man. It's a terrible, like, I alone want to talk, you know. But, and it's a very sheer, classy, sexy black dress. And it fit her nice. She perhaps she should have wear like a black brassiere and that, or one with some, you know, more with some design to complement the black and the thing. But apart from that, her hair shell down, her face look good. She take the picture so stately and majestic and regal. The dress fit her nice. She sell off. But then like, Tantan, you look good in her picture. Tantan, you look, you see your Biggie fear, Tantan. Tantan, you see a Biggie fear. When nothing I go and fear, Biggie done you. And when you look good, we say you look good. And that we say thick skin and broad back and do it. When them done, you come back, build back and done them nastiness. Ray for Tantan, I want some people. Talk up, Biggie.
Yeah, no, Raga, you see a friend to me, because I'm telling them to call, you know. But to me, busy them there. Raga, you see a friend, I should not should have took my Raga to still not add up to the story. Because Raga, she should have not, but she should have wear, because she said, me never wear mad, but she should have wear fair good, but spirit for wear, Raga.
What you mean, Marsha?
Raga, Marsha say, I wear, me never wear the something good, no.
No, Marsha say you just never look good in it.
No, she said me no wear good and I'm calling now and say, yeah, because who have plasma belly. Raga, me no want plasma belly. Raga, me want 332-inch steering on my waist. Because as your time put there, you say goodness one cover. Raga, me want that shed pan cover over that big cat wheel for cover. You know them big tree out here, and then me want.
Biggie, you know, you know, want that and thing. But Marsha call and done, you know, Marsha say, who's covered on Biggie? Who beat out and joke a Biggie? She deal with your wicked man all. She deal with your wicked man.
Raga, they know you never say, because normal when people call me, you know, I see that ring of my answer, never call me my answer, so I'm not got trouble then. Because everybody call that, they would have done and talk up the things, Raga, because everybody fluffy dash up and them stay good. And everybody when the fluffy load turn up upon them ready, Raga.
Hold on. You said the fluffy load turn up upon Marsha and she not stay good.
She not stay good. She look good to you, Raga. Raga, me no want me na Facebook at the Raga cause remember Facebook come like camera to cut a movie alone. Me see that thing, Raga.
Biggie. You know me fear. Don't you know? Biggie.
Raga, no people me here say look good and to me, them no look good and my friend them see them and them not see good to me, Raga. So you look good and look good at two different things, Raga. Me not see a real person, me see up on Facebook and I hear camera check it on Facebook. You know what it is?
No, hold on, Biggie. We can't disagree, nothing wrong with that. We can have different opinion, but at the same time, I must tell you, if you're a fluffy woman, people always say, no, me alone, people always say, Marsha carry herself good, always look good, sort out herself, and always say.
To you, I'm not seeing a person, so I'm not lift up my head to her, Raga.
Well, probably, I know you fear, because if you see her and she look good, you have to tell her. I know you still, you will go up to her and say, are you near Marsha? Hold on, Biggie, let me tell you you still. You go up to her and say, oh, at the first time I say, are you near Marsha? Me did one done, you know, but me I look for you now, you look.
Raga, enemy them close to a friend for a record. Me at time, I don't want them friend there. Raga, me don't want them friend, because when you ask them, Raga, you say them dumb up on the show, Raga, that alone done the girl even more, Raga.
No, Biggie.
Yeah.
Biggie.
Yeah.
What's up? Yeah, I think you misunderstand what I'm going, but I think I understand. What you are saying is that even if Tantana look good, Karen should have defend her.
Listen, Raga, she never look good, Raga, you notice all them dumb. If them cry, even say, well, Raga, you know, maybe...
No, answer my question.
Raga, your friend say I'm a car.
No, well, so you say even if she don't look good, Karen should have defend her.
Yeah, they never say Raga, so they look good, you know, them could have said, well, Raga, maybe the some of them never come out, because you know enough people luggage in Christmas, they not get the luggage same time or 3 days after. If I even that, them should have to call them friend, Raga.
No, but I want to tell you, say, Karen has been doing that.
Raga, them finish all out, you know, call them end up and turn and say, from Christmas Day, Raga, we not see her. Raga, I want to say, from Super Raga, they people drop out more than a bomb. Raga, the bomb, they explode and done right there, so them say that.
No, but Biggie, the thing what you just saying, Karen has been doing that repeatedly, you know. She has been defending Tantan, you know.
Raga, when I asked her for the program, she should have answered. If I'm my friend, Raga would have answered.
No, I know what you are saying. But Biggie, I know everybody still like you do, you know. But me I tell you, say Karen has been defending Tantan. When I ask you that.
Raga, listen, like that, so them, you know, the students, so them should have, Raga, she should have answered, and still I'm a feel good and say, hey, no, that girl is a real friend. Raga, I'm not have a doctor. Raga, that girl a white girl, rat.
All right, no, but well, I don't know. The other thing, though, you must understand, Biggie, is that in truth, you know, Tanta never pop down, you know. Tanta never favor goat on Sunday. You understand? What happened is that, it's true, Tanta are one of the people on the wall we kill people and done people wicked. And Tanta love talk up and, you know, like a hot girl, like she shelled up.
Right,
Tanta take it to people and move it. Hold on. What happened was, there was a huge expectation for see her in some flashy clothes and all them something. You understand? So when she come and she did just simple and whatever is that, some people said then wait at that, and then people start interpreting say she don't look good. But it wasn't that she don't look good, you know. It just like, you know, it's almost like she did set way up. She said she fly in and I got done, you know, and then when people look where people said then at that you come here, you know, whatever this and that. And I saw the thing didn't get twisted. But now, let's just sell off that picture.
Raga, that time, I never see Raga, never look good at her. But if you put them, I see her, no, Raga, on Facebook, I say, yes, look good, I'm coming, I say to my cousin, you know, so the girl, I see her, look at that picture, she tell her, she should have wear that too, because take the picture from in March 2008, you could have wear a collar, I can't remember the name, but the frack, Raga.
Where you said that, the picture where we sit today, when that picture they take?
Yeah, that's what I did, said 11th of March 2008.
Well, the picture when me and Sienna say Sheldon, it take from March 2008.
You know what I did on the left side of the picture, yeah, Raga.
Me never seen it yet.
Jesus Christ, me and my mouth. Jesus! Raga, look how I make you draw me like a body, me.
Me never seen it yet, Biggie, me never. Well, there, on the post about the picture, me never seen it yet. Poor Jesus. Me never seen it yet, Biggie. I want a picture there. What? Yo, Biggie.
Yeah.
You're mad at it, you know. Yeah, you're mad at it, you know. Anyway, them soon post about the picture.
Raga, me inside the picture, could I ring up Canada? I say, Canada, they know just could have Canada. I say, Canada, they know just could have about that pressure. Call me after 2008, and the fact still I take now when you post.
All right, Biggie, we'll take a break. Yeah, well, you have anything quick else you need to say where we have to come back to you?
Raga.
All right, I could take a break. I'll come back and shot the mix up quick here.
want to call and talk up the things them.
Yeah, man, welcome back up in the sitting. All right, Biggie, send on the mix up, you know.
Yeah, I know from Jerusalem. When take a man, your friend, the man, woman number, when your friend, I make a friend call the man, woman, and I tell the man, dating. She's a studying at the man like she's not an image because the man don't recognize her. They know like in her and Pomeran, she get the number. When she get the friend call woman a friend and don't the woman. Rather woman call back a man, no, because woman a believe her man that cheap and because she take care of the man. Right. So the man trace it back now and tell us a friend, rather the man never do not more than give the friend a Biggie. Rather when the man a be the friend a ballot and say, a Biggie tell me because Biggie a take, I have Biggie than a Biggie tell me. I don't know say the girl know what the ball out, say her husband this she a beat rather. The man took out on the man a boof back and I pick the man nearly two. Rather the man a drag away and I pick.
But you are in a pick?
In a Jews land, Raga.
Right, they say in a Jews land that is going on.
Raga, if I don't believe me, ask Chum. Right in a Jews land, it's one.
So what I know, so she attacked the man, but the man have a woman a foreign, but she a fear him husband too.
Yeah.
Okay. So she a fear husband, I take her next man woman, and then go load up the man woman a foreign.
Right, make a friend load up so the man beat the friend, because to the man shows what they call to the friend.
Okay.
She come like she never phone, she not a phone letter, so Raga call, she don't know the private phone, all no, because she show fear number. But Raga, she's a dumb animal, but that dumb animal they make sound. Because she show her number, Raga.
Well, you say she's a dumb animal, but the dumb animal did make sound.
Yes, she dumb, but she make sound. Because Raga, me say Raga man girl, so me like Raga hospital girl reach Raga the way. Raga, but you know, me never start fear Raga because she should have made the girl who take the man. Call with me yet. Because if I'm not me, see me, I call me. I don't want no girl back up to call me yet. Only the mate and an entourage come now. Me and my entourage young Raga. But it's not entourage, I don't want an entourage. And me, I don't entourage. And me, I don't know.
If you deal with it, you deal with it yourself straight up, no?
Raga, I'm afraid I'm not call no girl because my glue, Raga, crazy glue. Some girl have patek if water get it, it stop stick.
Well, I them Tambourine. Well, what you say? A crazy glue you have, I use a stick and turn there. But you say some girls have glue, and the patiks them have, and your water catch it, it stop sticking.
No more stick no there.
Oh, Jesus. Anyway, Biggie, just before you go, we have somebody want to come in on the line and come ask you something. I think bring in a person and film the route.
Hello.
What,
yeah.
Biggie? What, go on?
Yeah.
I'm sorry.
Yeah, wait no.
Tell me something. What you say? My friend no look good, so big enough same way.
I never say if you say to look good, but you should have given a look ratings current to your friend.
That's why look, girl, I walk out in a video like and them don't look good and people laugh over them because before them left them yard, them friends tell them, say, yeah, my girl, you stay good and them don't stay good. They say, my friend, them not stay good, now tell them so them not stay good. And
they never say not stay good, they don't want to ask, they never answer.
But I never, me never ask, you know, I did master, but anyway, him thinking.
Yeah, you will say Karen, you say Karen. Tantan didn't look good, I never answered you himself. If you rebroadcast, he said Karen, come there, I list for Karen.
With Tantan, I'm right, it's on the wall. I tell her to her face, Tantan, nothing wrong with the blouse, but I am not a fan of the print. Mr. Kedisha, nothing wrong with the dress. I'm not a fan of the print. I don't like pretty, I don't like stripe.
Repeat, I can't hear, talk again.
Say, me tell Tantan, say, nothing wrong with her blouse, but I'm not a fan of the print on the blouse. You understand? The stripe on my thing. Mr. Kedisha,
nothing wrong with the blouse, Karen.
But Mr.
You're not be a true friend. I'm not tell you.
Biggie. Well on, Karen, well on, Biggie. It so like you are saying it was obvious that something did wrong with the blouse.
Of course, Raga, yesterday the way how you talk about the Tantan, ask Jennifer, I say, me have got a show, I want to see them, okay, if you Raga ever talk about them and see them look good, I never on Facebook can see them, I'm definitely want to see them, Raga, I see her, she Raga come like she was an empty.
Well, Biggie, what you say about the blouse? Biggie, what you say about the blouse, Biggie? What you say about the blouse?
Look at the blouse. The gun them never started to come out. You know, look at the gun them empty. It's an empty gun she get. It's an empty spin barrel she come out. It's never even come out with a 45.
Karen, what you talk no, Karen?
Mister, before Tantan come over here, you know. Mr. Tantan, you have to bring it because you use a $270 US dollar deal. You understand? Don't you find that something simple now? I know some of them talk the things them because they like her because she have an ice on the wall. I'm going to tell her, I say, yo, remember say you have an ice on the wall, you know. They just not bring it, them all find things to talk.
Yeah.
So only if I have my friend, them I can't tell them the truth. I will make it called friendship.
But Karen, I want a friend in the crowd here for before. I don't have a time to the contact, but I want a friend to sit down with a laugh and let them draw.
I eat for myself and don't care. Tantan look the worst spot. Tantan look good. Talk about Shibana sister. That's what I'm talking about.
What?
I saw she dress. Look at that. See her come to dress like her brother. Look at how she dress. Look at what she see her dress.
It's all of the protected one Tantan for what?
No, Biggie.
I'm about to look good on the picture. Because you know they are
Biggie, well on there. Biggie, stop for a second. Because when you just a fire, we say you go on like you know why you. Karen bring up a good point. Say if you ever done, Karen, say she never did a defend for your friend, so I give it that you and Shibada and Tissi your friend. What the man says, you not talk the truth about Tissi either, whatever.
Look, I don't know if talk about Tissi. Everybody wants to Tissi just that is all Tissi just. Like I just Tissi, when I say going out also, I saw Tissi just. But when she gets some good Raga, I'm not saying I like to dress so much. That is she.
All right, well on now. Karen, stop for a second. Biggie, stop for a second. Bring it Tantan now.
Hello, Raga.
Hello,
Raga.
Yes, darling.
I don't understand what make Biggie live for me, and I just send us a fan out of the show because Todd Spike used to for a long time. So when Biggie, I'm not saying no be word, Raga. I'm just saying what live for me for. What Biggie live for me for?
Biggie, answer Tantan no.
Tantan, the shoes was a stud right here. But I can't come on and say I'm a stud the panic, my girl. A silver shade. And that's how we're saying I told you $270. Listen to me. Well on.
Tantan, 1 second. Biggie, answer. And don't take too long. Answer.
Listen, about the ear that come from that because you don't know where your suit come from. Can I bend up in that area ground that never come from? I never see a good. I cannot see a good if I say not stand good, but today they have one on the picture. I'm saying they have one. I'm not remember your name is Nina and then tell plus Nina 2 plates. So I'm going to say, oh, I never sit down by your name because now they're not feeling.
All right, Biggie, stop now. Time to clear your ass.
Biggie, I complain to my suit, a prisoner suit, and I leave Biggie, a casket, them use Biggie suit online. Biggie, the same suit that Biggie have on. Let me check Biggie profile picture.
B word, please. Don't say the B word. All right,
and I talk about Portia here. Biggie, I know nothing about me. I meet to look good every time, and of course bring me up, and me bring up clothes. So no matter if I have on one little piece of lace, I meet to look good. Some of the way I talk about it, you come there with a wig for your head faster than a patch cover, like a China or Japan, they're going to make it. You don't know about Biggie.
Stop.
All right,
Tata, hold on.
Expose Biggie, because you, Biggie, rather, Biggie cannot have a comfortable ride, because no matter what Biggie in, what Chris car, Biggie supposed to walk, because I got them bumpy. She can't ride comfortable in a no car. Some know Biggie take a set for me, for.
Oh, Jesus. All right, Tata, hold it there. Biggie, a queer, you know.
My sister, all the crew at the same, so I said, now I said the picture, and they start down for there. I told you about the one, but I don't want to know if you're married. I can't say my heart to a go, but came out. They say, I thought. Biggie.
Yeah, break up a little bit, so. Just go somewhere where we can hear the phone good here because you break up here. I don't know if
I
you're in a car.
can't get the restaurant come they find me and the rock God. It's the only part they can't hear good as they got ear beer car cause I boulevard me day.
No, but remember says a cardless phone you use from a receiver. No, so
No, the old phone was a cell phone.
Oh, we are here you better now. Talk again.
But tell her that should have wait for last to come out and rubbish truck come out set time. Anytime I got anything done, rubbish truck come set time for just throw up the clothes pan it. Raga, just straight up on the truck that's never ready. Everybody said she's not ready. And what a way to come out and add in today and the whole of last week she never come out and everybody had done her. Raga, when I play and figure we can stuck here.
Well, Biggie, I'm queer with Tanta. I said, Tanta, yeah. Hello?
This one we can if you come pan, it bring you there. Come here, could the wall pan it. So I say make you go and speak to you. And Karen, I need to defend me. To defend myself.
All right. Root, but you can't have the two of them on right now for close off, you know? Yeah. Biggie.
Yeah.
Biggie. Tantan says she don't need current for defender. She can't. Tantan says she don't need current for defender. Tantan says she don't need current to defend her. She can't defend herself straight.
But she never defend herself, Raga, because Karen never come on to get the backbone to put the answer, Raga. Raga, when you have open program, I don't need to see anybody to come on.
Raga, I'm never tell you something.
No, Biggie. Hold on. Biggie. Me have a jump in and disagree with you. Tantan has never, ever back from nobody. Never.
Raga, two don't come about that never answer. They should not answer. Why don't Karen come here and Karen to say whatever else to never defend her area? Why not come and
Biggie, your phone a break up. Your phone a break up, Biggie. Your phone a break up, Biggie. Your phone a break up.
Where's it?
Your phone a break up.
I'm phone, Raga. I the statics them in our legs.
Biggie, you hear that?
What you say?
Biggie, Tantan say, I know your phone a break up.
The statics them in your leg. It's interrupt the whole call.
Raga, the sticks in our leg. And then the statics you put to leave a take one of them out our mouth and put on our body because you know already Raga to know.
And the wig over your head make you can't. And the wig over your head make you couldn't see me. And that is flat over your eyes. You couldn't see me. I never know ID. I there see me. A vacation. I there for come live for Ragashanti.
You have to just get a suitcase for you want to come out. Oh, I got a suitcase come. Somebody do a last minute shopping here. So the suitcase come.
No, so picture soon come up on Facebook. I enjoy myself. I say now we.
I 2011 now. At 2011, still at 2011. I'm not living in a past. Present to future. I'm not living in a past. Wake up. Wake up. It's still a dream.
No, but at the party, just in a Biggie, because when you wear come around so late and so stop for a long time, I can't get them use them up the line and touch spike heels. Them some a pumps that's all we are Biggie and Reggie. So now we are going at spike heels. You should come out like that.
You know, if it's talk again, I'm going to tell you.
No, she said lace stop for a long time. Them I use lace for line casket right now. And she say your leg them never look right, them they pop down and I be a static them again.
Rather to see about walking, rather to see about walking, rather my leg up and shoulder, I don't know what your leg up and cause to shall run down a boy when I was see. Rather she's a walking that to me to go in and accept, rather my leg up and shoulder and go out, but I don't know what your won't go. Rather the body not start about she have no recognition. Nobody don't know what she is. The only thing you put them for up and show them career. The girl and them was scrape out them and potty. I used to elegant them for cock up and potty out Biggie. Elegant them for go up and road. But I advise the next day I come in with a long dress from head to toe. Cover your eye them for cover. Take your wig and wrap it on the face. Because you never look good either. So I know who does it after you believe like say yes, you come out and look good so you can answer me. Now listen to me, I'm not repeat words and I mean say ever look good and simple. I'm not suggest this part of my body out the door. And nobody may run down when I want me. Everybody will be there with want me. Not tell you that.
All right. proper sitting on this, the Tantan step up and defend and say, so Tantan.
Hi, Raga.
Hello.
Hello.
Tantan. You all right?
Hi.
All right. Biggie.
I'm quite fine. I'm in heaven there. I'm quite fine, Raga.
Okay. Biggie, you're good?
Yeah, I'm here, no, when she has said, I come like I give me she has said, I don't understand, I'm not hearing nothing.
No, man,
I will cover your ears then, Biggie, when I'm here. Ears part of the wig.
Well, Biggie, I'm sorry you can't. You look like your phone popped down. Nothing now go on for your phone, it popped down, but everything is everything.
Is our wig cover our ears?
Hold on, Biggie. Tantan, see the wig where you have on to cover your ears. Tantan, see the wig where you have on to cover your ears. Hold on. Ladies, before we cut, I have one question. Biggie, what are you implying? That Portia hairstyle don't look good? Biggie, you're certainly not implying that Portia seems... Oh, well, okay. Hold on. Biggie.
So all that to come near Portia, you say, Biggie, yes, sir. When they catch me, they say, me get up and spin round. I wish part of dog.
Well, no, you're both of you. Hold on. Well, the two now refer to two different instances, by the way. But anyway, we just want to say big respect to your Tantan, big respect to Biggie. And people, when they don't get it, twisted, we want to witness yesterday today. It's not war in a sense like two people hate each other, but it's a kind of cuss-out competition where we have in the Mixup and Blenda family, the Tambourine family, pan the Ragashanti fan wall, and pan the Ragashanti AC wall, and thing, I would call them like a clash. But nobody not really hate nobody not really, in a strict sense, war nobody. Right? We refer to it as war, but the idea is, can you hold your own lyrically? Can you defend yourself in a cuss-out clash? In other words, it's a game. Some of them may not understand and get a thing and hear it and hear this and that go on. I mean, things say, Biggie and Tantan hate one another. Trust me, don't misunderstand it. I'm just giving you the clarification. Everybody on fan wall know what's going on right there. So everybody on AC wall know what's going on. Everybody over mixup.com know what's going on. And sit. But for those of you who might not know, you may think that Tantan and Biggie hate each other. They don't hate each other. You understand? Them we just, in the cuss-out competition, them people go hard. And the way the game is played, we have a motto. We say, a thick skin and broad back and do it. So if somebody step to you, don't complain. You either shut up, walk away, and take your medicine, or you defend it. Hence, you see Tantan come in and defend it, and stand up and defend her thing. That's why Fiari and things like that way there. And of course, I need to tell her, say, Biggie the back from nothing from a longer while. And she said, step to anybody and argue. You understand? And we had some interested and very creative lyrics will come out, I think, from both. And the combatants just now, I think. And at the end, a good cuss-out class, it provides entertainment. It's shelled down because, people end up and say some things. That thing they were Tantan say like, yo, lace now wear again, lace a line casket. And what do you that man? And of course, Biggie, she full of lyrics too. And she talk up the things and whatever. A cuss-out clash, as a sour run with thing. And it's all about entertainment at the end of the day. Now, that's why I say big respect to Tantan, because you don't know so rate things max same way and thing, Original AC war, linky, and thing. And big respect to Biggie, the Queen of Joseland, and sitting, and she's a cuss-out clash the back from nothing. And sitting. Biggie all up on the wall. Biggie them did that down here and say, why you up on Facebook and you're on a computer? I'm saying you're going to have washing machine on the computer. Everything is everything. People take care of themselves. I'm going to make Chris Cross take it away. We look at music right here now. Karen Wildman, large up yourself, boom bang. Big up while I'm a mix up and blend of family. I'm a Tambourine Nation. Ragashanti rate to the max. At the end of the day, we say entertainment. And we understand it. The whole I choke off or come kiss out with butter pan. And that we say. Take care of yourself, paper DJ Chris Cross. I'm going to do some juggling right now. I don't know, say 1 o'clock. And we're juggling tomorrow again. Zane, everything is everything. Party Belly, thanks. Road to the Cutie producer, large up yourself. Jermaine King, Richard Rain for the road. And sitting large up on yourself. DJ Chris Cross and the Nationwide family. Everything is everything. Everybody will ask me about the Denny's on thing from News Talk 93 FM. Yo, I don't know what I'm going over there. Iceman gone. You say that Denny's on Ghana, they can leave from over News Talk and whatever. I be a drama, I'm going over them. I just hope to the station, go and juggle so that all of my friends are still over there, can still have some form of employment and I bring in the money. But to be honest with you, I don't really know what is happening. I assume some know, but I don't really. I know what has happened, but I don't know what caused it. I ask for everything. I don't know. All right? Take care of yourself, people. 1 o'clock tomorrow, we blaze again. Out the road. Let's step out by the people in Farn Road right now. Go look some food. Take care of yourself. 1 o'clock tomorrow. Boom, bang.